Video games are the latest craze to sweep the country and most of the world, too. Millions of people are addicted to hours of gazing at electronic images on game screens in arcades and in their own homes. What makes video games so popular?
It is a cacophony of sounds from a symphony of electronics. The game is three-dimensional. The screen is full of tricks to avoid. Your airplane moves faster than the speed of sound. Your tongue hungers for a kill. How many little children and adults spent their free time at the joystick of a video game controller?
Will this popularity last is the question. Well, the makers of video games are gambling that it will.
Hey, whoa, duckies, how we doing? What is going on? Uh-oh. I'm not going to touch that. I nearly smashed it up. Hey, Bongo, how we doing? Mate, I am pumped, man. Like, today is a crazy day. Today is a crazy day. Been doing loads of, I've filmed a couple of videos this morning. I'm contemplating whether or not to release a video today or not, because obviously, do I release a video today? I'm sure I added a YouTube custom dog for my chat, but for some reason it's gone for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe if I just copy the pop art chat link and see what happens. Let's go do that. Add that to custom browser ducks. YouTube chat. I bet you it's gonna kick off about something in it. It's gonna be like, nah, you can't do that. You're not logged in. Oh no, we're good. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Glad that's worked. Love it when a plan comes together. Don't know about you guys. Absolutely love it when a plan comes together. Why not? So, right. We're going to be doing some tinkering with some OBS stuff today. There's a couple of things that I want to be looking at. We've been building, obviously, different kinds of alerts and stuff. And the reason why I'm streaming here on YouTube today is because, obviously, in the coming weeks / month, we're going to be getting Leor on board working with YouTube fully, which is going to be really, really exciting. And yeah, I need to get used to live streaming here every now and then, because I think it's quite important that I do that. But we're going to be building some effects, I think, today, which is going to be quite fun. So let me just move this across here. There we go. It's so confusing when I've got most of my stuff set up in Twitch. So it's quite weird going from that to this. There is a video dropping today, actually, on the welcome message, believe it or not. So you know how we've got the Twitch welcome message that I created. If I just do this, you know, is it up here now? I don't know where I've put it. It might be up there. I don't know. Did I put it up there? I don't know what I've done with it. Don't know what I've done with it, but it doesn't seem to be appearing. So that's probably not a great start to the situation there. That it's not working, is it? But that potentially is the story of my entire life. We're gonna start designing some stuff anyway and get that all rolling, which should be pretty good. I don't know why that's not working, actually. I'm a little confused as to why that's not working. I'm pretty sure it should just work. I don't know. There's meant to be something popping up on screen now, but there ain't nothing popping up on screen right now. Oh no, it's a different version of OBS. Nah, that makes sense. Makes sense. That's my bad. I'm being an idiot. Hey, Jocknicks, IZ, Nick, what's going on? Hello from Dresden. Where's Dresden, dude? Where's Dresden? How we doing? Hi. How we doing? Everyone dropping in now. So I should have a video dropping today for you guys. I'm not sure whether to drop it today or tomorrow. I have not edited it yet. I'm going to be editing it after the stream. Germany via Derby. Love that. Hey Elle, how you doing? Congrats on the wedding. Thank you, sweet. Thank you. Yes, I'm not sure whether to do the video today. It's basically using Streamer.bot to do welcome messages and the new place. This is actually my brother's place, believe it or not. We're not in our new place.
Looking for the stone.
Yo, thank you. Is that a sub or is that a follow on Twitch? I really don't know anymore. No, it is a sub. Thank you, Haim. Appreciate it. I don't know what I've got set up on here at the moment. I know I'm running Leoran board through YouTube, so there are commands that work, like wasted and stuff like that. But we should be getting a Leoran board for YouTube very soon, which is super, super exciting. So expect a couple of streams coming soon of me testing that out for the wonderful lady. The wonderful Christina. Oh god, I'm choking then. No, I'm clear it wasn't subbed. I see how it is, Ham. I see how it is. We're just not cool, are we? We're not cool. Is that what you're saying? How have you been then, Elle? How's your streams been and stuff like that? Also, any questions at all today, guys, just fire them at me. This is what these YouTube streams are usually for, like answering any questions, or if you've got anything that you want me to cover in some videos and stuff like that, then that's when you just fire it at me, and I'll make sure I add it to a list of things to do and whatnot, and I can show you through it. So I'll give you a little glimpse at what I've been doing today for a YouTube video. So I've been messing about with Streamer.bot. Obviously, we've been doing a lot of stuff on that this week, since the release was this week, and we're kind of just pumping a lot of content about it. We're actually running version, check this out, we're actually running version 1.1. There is an update coming. I don't know when it's going to be dropping, but it's currently in early access for testing and whatnot. And it's added some incredible features, some really, really incredible stuff, which means I'm going to have a bit of a better time making you guys stuff. You know how we have the welcome messages and stuff like that, which is really good. BeakerBot versus Streamer.bot. What do you think? Are they the same par, or Streamer.bot has more advantage when it comes to TTS and others? Jocknix, the thing is, there's a lot of bots out there, isn't there? And they all kind of do their own little thing. BQBot, I think the UI is like the best bot UI at all. BQBot is so just like straight up. But we're still waiting for features being added to BQBot, but it's still being in dev and stuff like that, which is great. Yo, Umar, Merlin, what's going on, guys? So yeah, Streamer.bot at the moment, I'm kind of falling in love with it a little bit. I'm just been testing stuff out, as you can probably see. You're loving the hair, thank you, man. As you can probably see, I built the Final Fantasy VII alert system into here now as well, which is really cool. My GTA wasted effect, the take a photo, computer crash, Twitch disconnection, all that kind of stuff in Streamer.bot now. So Streamer.bot is super powerful, Jocknix, it really is. I'm going to be covering something on BQBot very soon, because there's potentially a cheeky little giveaway happening, which is going to be really nice. How you doing, Umar? You good? Surge, Big Teddy, what's up, guys? So today's video or tomorrow's video, I don't know, it depends how many people want the video today, is talking through welcome messages in Streamer.bot, and I'm adding the cheeky little action for you guys so you can have access to the Stream Up version. This isn't the official Stream Up release. This is just going to be a little cheeky zip file in the Streamer.bot Discord to hopefully try and get some traffic into there as well, which is going to be really good. Get it tried out, Jocknix, do it. Hey, Constantine, thank you for the congrats, dude. All good, brother. Got work at once, so just getting ready. Oh, screw that, dude. Screw that. Yeah, I'm insane, brother. Really, really good at the moment. Really, really good. So yeah, I was doing this. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I already did know why it's not connected. Because I'm going through a different OBS, which is really frustrating. Not gonna lie, really, really frustrating. That's the wrong button, Andy. GG, love that. I am a bit of an idiot, bit of a noob, aren't I? Bit of a noob. Yo, Fever, how we doing? So that should be dropping today. If I don't do a very long YouTube stream today, it means I'll probably drop that as well. For how to do welcome messages in there, and then give you guys a little cheeky free one that you can edit like this. I can actually, if I change the, in fact, if I open up, I know this is going to get a bit mad, but if I launch this, oh crap, wrong account. Don't forget to press the like button before you log out. Remember, guys, this is a YouTube stream, dudes. Oh my god. Oh, That's not coming through to you guys, is it? That's all right. If I go to just chatting here, obviously it's not going to be the just chatting scene. It's just going to be blank right now. But if I change the profile to Twitch stream, this should send the WebSocket server settings to 443. Yeah, that's the one. So now when I type in test after resetting it, this is the welcome message that will be dropping out hopefully today. Oh my god. Is it just not my day today? Is that what's happening? We should be connected to the correct one now, right? Yeah, 443. Unless we've just not connected because it's disconnected. Unless it took a second to connect. Potentially both. Let's just test. Yeah, that was a good test. Go on today. There we go. So this welcome message is going to drop today with the randomized stuff and everything like that. And talking how I've done that just using Streamer.bot, which is really cool. So that's going to be a nice, free, cheeky one for you. That's if you guys want it. You know what I mean? If you don't want it, then I'll just delete that video. Do you know what I'm saying? Have you moved your streams to YouTube or you stream on Twitch as well? I'm doing both, Constantine. I'm just trying to make sure I do at least one YouTube stream a month, because I think it's good for the YouTube algorithm and stuff like that to do stuff. And it means that I get to see more people that don't come over to YouTube, to Twitch, which is really nice. Tried that program, but I could not add my bot account. To add a bot account, dude, all you need to do is just go to settings, Twitch accounts, and just press this connect button just here. And it'll basically open up. So if I disconnect from Twitch, for instance, forget bot account, and then press connect to Twitch, it'll open it up in my web browser. And then I can log in with whichever Twitch account I want, and it'll do it on there. Antonio, thank you very much for the sub, buddy. Much love to you, dude. Put your rock up the stone. Love it. Yo, Joe Chen, what's going on? You're our favorite YouTuber. Behave, Troy. Too kind. Stream.bot and Twitch Speak are just stupidly powerful. Yeah, it really is, dude. Really, really is. Better account to chat from. How you doing, life? You good, baby? What do you reckon? Drop another video today? I have filmed it. I just need to edit it. Do a thumbnail and post it. I don't know whether to do it today. I feel violated using YouTube instead of Twitch. Oh my god, Paul, I'm sorry. Still wonder how you add a lot of stuff in your main OBS and hear me struggling hard. After getting tired of encoder overload warnings, remove most of my stuff to stabilize. The trick is just don't overdo it with like stream effects and stuff like that. Like everything I make just uses very basic stuff, like that welcome message. Just, yeah, it's a browser source. But they're just text sources. You know what I mean? There's not even any movement filters on here. No movement filters at all. There's nothing. I'm just using the show and hide transitions. How easy is that? Nearly 700 voices on Twitch. It's nuts. It really is. You like YouTube as well, Al? I know it is. It's a cool platform. It really is a cool platform. I don't give it enough time, which is sad. Remember, guys, make sure you press the like button on here on YouTube. I think that helps with the algorithm of finding the streams. I don't know what the discoverability is like. I don't really watch live YouTube streams, which is probably not good. Hello, sir. Your hair has gone grey. How many days have you been married? We've been married for over a month now, I think. Yeah. Divorce is coming soon. No, we're joking. How you doing, Mr. Frank in Spain? Are you good? I'm grateful for your videos you make, you know. It's such a clever sausage. Oh, behave. Behave, Umar. Do you want me to come and give you a good seeing to, or what? I don't know. No wonder I use a lot of stream effects stuff. I guess I keep it simple. Yeah, if you start cranking stuff in stream effects, like, for instance, my, I think can I change this? Something that I could, oh no, I can't really, because, yeah, I'm using the same thing. Let's, I feel like I should close this down and open up my, yeah, we'll open my other OBS. What have I got that set to? Let me just check. 446. Yeah, we'll use the stream up dev today for any of this. Oh, for you guys that have not seen this bad boy, any of you YouTubers, this is something that I've been working on that is probably not going to work because I need to press reset first, which is a shame that I have to do that, but we're working on it. We're working on it. This is a green screen. It looks dead beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah. Is it still set up in here? Yeah, it is. I think it's still set up for commands for test, right? No, it's not. F1, F1, F1. There we go. Check this out. If you have got Twitch open, feel free to type in test. Am I not connected to this OBS now? No. There we go. Now I am. How cool is that? That is all animated just inside of OBS. If you do have Twitch open at all to type into chat, you can type in test and it'll show your name up on there, which is pretty cool. It barely uses any resources and stuff like that. Apparently it doesn't work for the links though. That's a sad time, isn't it? Have I just set it up for only me to work? This is the next question. Let me just check. What am I doing? Oh no, it is working. It was just delayed for some reason. Don't know why. Probably because I had some other stuff. Oh no, I know what it is. I've got 2 welcome messages trying to play, haven't I? So it's running through both of the welcome messages and then doing it. So I'm gonna delete this. There we go. That should fix that. Yeah, how crazy is that? Kenyon, how we doing? Like you had no divorce, please. Think of Winston. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. Now we do. How cool is that, guys? That is just literally all animated with Exceldro's move. So the wheels move on their own. How cool. Is it not the coolest thing in the world? It's freaking amazing, right? Waldo, how we doing? Like advice for using OBS was a godsend. It's so easy to use. Yes, Umar, 100%. But yeah, this is something that I'm like super proud of. I'm making it for my brother at the moment for his Twitch stream. He wanted some F1 styled alerts, so I was like, you know what? I'll get busy with the fizzy and come up with something pretty cool. By the way, did you know the Facebook link on your Twitch page doesn't go to you? It'd be right. Who uses Facebook anymore? Do you know what I mean? They're too dodgy for my liking. Rowie, what's up? Fire away. Andrew, heyo, Ducky, how we doing? I do use NVenc New. It's just my OBS usage is like 60% most of the time. Damn, sir, you've seen my OBS, right? Look, this is my OBS. I have all this shenanigans going off all the time. There's loads of stuff in there. So if yours is like kind of peaking a little bit, it probably means that you got something going on that shouldn't be going on, and overdoing it. F1 is so flipping good. It does look smooth, doesn't it? I really wanted to make it so it comes across here first and says like new subscriber, and then fly across that way. And the beautiful thing about it is, guys, you can change the color of the banner to whatever you want. You don't need to know any coding. You just need to know how to use OBS. So you just be like, oh, I want this really... I thought that was going to look disgusting, but I don't think it is. You can just change the color of the banner as simple as that. Awesome, right? That should be your intro. What, the F1 thing? You got a different name on here. What's your actual... I feel like I do know who you are, Andrew. I feel like I do know. So my video sources, when I activate them and deactivate them, after a few seconds, the audio continues to play. It doesn't get broadcasted or recorded, but the audio comes through monitoring. Sometimes it's like that with transitions as well. Like I think it's just a thing. Like as long as it's does it continue to play the entire, or is it just for a few seconds? I hate you. I love you too. Once Nate gets the variables to OBS Raw sorted, variables to OBS Raw are already coming. I've just been playing with them this morning, which is absolutely beautiful in version 1.1. It's for a few seconds. I won't worry too much. It's normally because it fades out basically for your audience. Usually that's the case. Because mine does that when I'm doing transitions and stuff like that. It'll fade out for the audience, but it doesn't fade out for me. That makes sense. I have to go. I'll be back. No worries, Serge. Are you using source transitions by any chance? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, Excedra Rocks, he fixed my biggest problem with Zoom and other platforms, transition table, the audio is so much more. Yeah, he's the best, isn't he, dude? We're actually working close with him at the moment for some Stream Up related stuff, so we can make Stream Up cross-platform for you guys. So all you guys that don't want to use Leorenboard and you use other things like BQ.bot, Streamer.bot, or you use Touch Portal, we're going to be trying to make as many things of ours cross-platform for you guys, because I did a poll here on YouTube the other day, and I was like, what platform would you like to see Stream Up stuff for? And I put like, oh, do you want to see it for Streamer.bot, Touch Portal? Touch Portal was the most. I put Slobs on there as well. And then 50%, or was it 60? I think it's 50%. 50% of the votes said, what Stream Up? I was like, you're asking me what Stream Up is? Do you watch the videos? Oh god, sad times. You got a sneaky preview build, nice. Yeah, it's honestly beautiful. I tested it out straight away, so the things that he's added, which I'm in completely, like, oh my god, like, just, oh, god. You know, I was telling you about my effects not being able to work. So, say my GTA Wasted, for instance. This isn't going to work on this, so that's fine. Now, when we open up OBS Raw, we can actually give it a name. So now I can say scene change, scene transition. And then I could just put the actual thing. In fact, why am I typing it out when I could just copy and paste it? I love that. And then press OK. And then now I can actually name them, which is really nice. Which is beautiful. Before my lessons, I always go through every transition and pop-ups. So it kind of prepares OBS for the lesson. Yeah, it's always nice to make sure everything's working, isn't it? I can't wait for the ban scope to be added to Streamer.bot. See, I never ban people. I've only banned like one person. I'm really bad. And our life will be easier. Yes. Yes. It really would. Did you die a little bit? Yeah, I did. I want Stream.bot. What would that consist of though, right? I don't think. Yeah, I don't know how that would work, Steve. So the OBS Raw as well was one of those things that I'll do. Set trigger hotkey, because I can do absolutely anything now. I can use variables in here. So set hotkey here, because then I know that that's being triggered. I can do the exact same here. It just keeps it a bit easier for me to understand what's going on, which I think is absolutely beautiful. Pretty sexy, if I do say so myself. We'll do skip end like so, which is really nice. And my thing at the moment was, yeah, what webcam would you recommend for streaming? Well, you can use your phone, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm always like, go for everything. If you enjoyed the stream, leave a like below. Yeah, do that. Everyone leave a like. If you've got questions as well, please fire them at me. Do you know what I mean? It doesn't have to be just on Streamer.bot. Like, you can ask me absolutely anything. OBS related, Leorenboard, we can do anything. So just fire away. Everyone will work lighting exactly. As long as your lighting's good, Waldo, you can get a cheap ring light. Like, I'm just using a ring light at the moment to just help bring my face out, because I've got a lot of natural light behind me. Audio is top of the list. Yeah, that is true. That is true. That is true. So make sure. Yo, live. Being the 10th channel member joining in. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you for becoming a little ducky. A little ducky. I don't think my alerts work for channel members. That's a sad time. But all this will work when we've got LB for YouTube, which would be nice. But thank you for that, sweetheart. Very kind of you, sir. Right, so now that we've got OBS Raw, I wanted to change the scene transition after doing the GTA Wasted, and I couldn't do it. Oh, in fact, no, I tell a lie. I'm lying to you flat out. In fact, no, that is one of the things that I want to do. So I want to copy this. So I want to duplicate this, but send this to the animate section. And the reason what I want to do is I want to do the current scene. So I want to go, as I'm going back to the previous scene, I want it to change to basically automating the scene transitions for people, so it makes it a little bit easier. So if I type in fade to color here, because I think that's the one I use, and I can't remember what the was it. I think it's a second. I don't know. I can always check by going up here because I've got it on transition table now. But I'm not going to need that anymore. So if I go from, I'm in the wrong fucking OBS. Melj, how we doing? Hey man, I love it. Super awesome. One question for you. Do you know any ways to control sliders inside of filters? For example, level slider on audio monitor. You can use the move value filter. You use the move transition plugin for move value, because then that's similar to what's going on here. I'm using the move value to control a crop. Just like so. And then that makes stuff like this happen. I'm still in love with that. I think it looks absolutely insane. You ever seen anything like that just animated in OBS? No, I didn't think so. That's pretty crazy, isn't it? It's pretty crazy. Life, the welcome message that I'm doing for the video either today or tomorrow, that's going to be a little package that I'm going to put on the Discord as well. So to try and get some people to come to the Discord again. Hey, Speedable, how you doing? Fat Turks! Andy recently did a video about fading sources that explains how to manipulate filters. Thank you! Very kind, very kind. So that's changing the scene transition. I'm just going to have to check on this transition table if that's alright, guys. Just give me 1 second. GTA wasted to any fade to color 1 second. Yeah, that is correct. But there is something that I need to do. So if you guys see on here, something that I do is if I go in studio mode and go down to my wasted scene, I use this cheeky, in fact, I'm telling multiple lies. This just mimics that, that's fine. So I don't need to do anything for wasted, that's fine. That does not need changing actually. Nice one, I'll look into it. I'm sure somebody can grab a link for you, Melj. I'm sure somebody can do that. Yo, Suda, what's going on? Nutty recommended your videos to me a couple of weeks back. They've been a huge help. Thanks for what you do. Anytime, dude. That's what I'm here for. If you've got any questions, you just fire it at me, dude, and we'll try and work on it. I feel like the computer crash would be a better one. So you'll see, right now, the computer crash looks dead weird, right? I'm going to set up some triggers, actually, so I can actually test these live. Oh, yeah. But what I might do is just change my... This is going to get complicated because I want to actually test them live for you. So I'm going to change my WebSocket server to 4443 for now. And then get this to connect back up. Sorry, this is a bit complicated. Just ignore my shenanigans, okay? There we go. That should connect up wicked. So you'll probably see right now that this computer scene looks dead weird. This is meant to be my previous scene, and it works via this bad boy. So if I do monitor scene, then it'll look right. It looks like I'm on this scene, which is normal. And that's what I'm going to use to do it. So I'm just going to change this back to the just chatting scene. So to set this up, I need to basically send these filter settings to here. To tell it to change to the previous scene, if that makes sense. So it's going to look like the scene's not changed. If that makes any sense at all. But you cannot do it for audio filters. For that one method is using voice meter with macro buttons, but you need hardware interface for it to work well. You should be able to control audio using like gain and stuff like that. Can you create installer with Streamer.bot? Kind of, Steve. We've got stuff coming. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of an edit in Streamer.bot right now. we'll do it on the computer crash, shall we? Because that'll make more sense. Set active scene to that one, that's fine. Source visibility of that's fine. So when this changes scene, set active scene just here, I'm going to put something before that. So I'm going to add an action, and I'm going to add a OBS raw action, because I'm going to be changing a filter setting. Hey Dimmy, how you doing? I'm going to be changing a filter setting. So I'm just going to press, have I got something that's already kind of set up a little bit? I'm sure I've got something. I'm sure I have done something already for this, because it'll just save me writing it out again. Scene transition, yeah, that's fine. Scene transition, raw, what's this? That's scene transition as well. Okay, okay. What bitrate do you use on YouTube for 1080p? Looks crispy. I'm just using the standard 6000. I just use the same settings as Twitch. Which is, yeah. Stuff coming for serious stuff, not mine. I just wanted to see you, but I've worked to... No worries, Dimmy. Thank you for stopping by. Right, we'll just have to create it, which is not a problem. We'll create a add action, and we'll do OBS raw. Just here. And I need to get out of studio mode, otherwise we're not going to be able to zoom in. Please. I'm going to move this out of the way. Why is my zoom broken? Oh, it's because I'm on a different version of freaking... Oh, amazing. This is tremendous. I can't zoom in right now. In fact, I probably can. Let me just change this to... this. There we go. Whew, this is getting complicated. Mace Media, how you doing? Is there a simple way to get color codes that Leoran board recognizes? When changing the color, it seems to work in something other than hex. That's not Leoran board, that's OBS, buddy. If you're using Leoran board, get the color code converter that's an extension in the Leoran board Discord. That'll do all the trouble for you. So I'm gonna call this what am I gonna do? Set mirror source to previous scene. So we need to do a bit of JSON. So I'm gonna do request type. I'm gonna do a video on this because I feel like it's gonna help a lot of you. And the request we're gonna do is it? Oh, is it set filter settings? I'm genuinely not sure on that, so I can actually double check by going to this cheeky little thing. Let me zoom out. Set filter. No, it's definitely not. Oh no! To start with, I don't want to set filter settings. I want to set source settings. I'm being an idiot. That's my bad. So I want to set source settings rather than filter settings. Easy now. No worries, Zoom on. We'll see you soon. That'll definitely sort you out, Mace. So we're gonna set source settings just in here, and we definitely know what source settings we can use if I just drag this web page into here. Oh my god, I've got so many windows open today, and it's so confusing me. You'll be able to see we've got here set source settings. We can do the source name, the source type, that's optional, and the source settings that we want to change just here as well. I had made my bot welcome new users in chat using Leoran board. I guess I could mimic it in Streamer.bot too. Yeah, the video on that is today, Jocknicks. So we've got source name. So if I open back here, I can do source name, and then the source that we're going to be using, I put it in there, and comma, and we're going to do source settings. I think it's source settings, is it? Yeah, source settings, just here. I'm going to bang that in. Like so. And we're going to set the settings there. But with source settings, I think that has to sit in its own JSON. Like so, I think. Just like that. So the source name, I'm just going to jump back to this other version of OBS that I can just see. We're doing computer crash. just here. I'm gonna do rename. So, oh no. There we go. Copy this. Paste that in there. That's the source name that we're gonna be messing with. Okay. And something that we can do, because we want to change the settings. I'm gonna go and just open up the JSON. So just give me 1 second for this. Where is it? Computer crash scene. The source. I want to copy. Where are you? Where are you? I'm going to save the source to desktop. Just going to call it source for now. That'll do. And then I can open that on the desktop. Source. Where's source? There. So yeah, this looks really like, but this is the JSON that we're going to be using, which is pretty fun. We want to change source.mirror.source. That is what we need to do. Hey dgen, we're going to copy that. We're going to do source mirror source. And then go to do like so, and we're gonna do current. Oh my god, that is the Leoran board in me. Current scene. Doesn't help that I'm just pressing anything, and that should be it. So we could send a test if we want to, but I've done something wrong. Oh. There we go. So right now, if I go in here and show you, and we go to computer crash, you'll see previous scene is going to be empty because that's not. It's not. It's trying to load percent sign current scene percent sign. But if I just copy that and say change that to in display. Display 1, for instance, and leave that there and press test. Then now when I go in here, we can see this has changed to in display 1. So that's how we've just sent OBS stuff. I feel like I'm going to be able to learn C#, Waldo. Like, I know what I'm doing, don't I? I feel like I'm going to be able to do it. I just need to persist with it, is all. So I'm going to change Streamer.bot now back to the percent info job, so that, and I'm gonna say okay, and I'm gonna put it where I need it to be, which is all the way at the top. In fact, I just need to click off it and click back on it. So yeah, my keyboard shortcuts just break on this. I do not know why. So I want to set it action cue pause. That's fine. I'm gonna change this to 1 down. You're just writing JSON by hand now. I know, I'm getting better, innit? I'm getting better. There we go. So this is going to change it. What I'm going to do is duplicate this. And I'm going to call it original. For now. And then, so I've got computer crash and I've got computer crash original. So you're going to be able to see the difference of what this looks like now that I've added this in. It should just work, but I've not tested this beforehand. Yo, RNG, ayo, Largo, Paul, what's going on, guys? Have you ever given someone a request on their software they are making and told you not a chance? Get back in your box. What do you mean? What do you mean, Michael? What do you mean? Oh yeah, shit, it's gotta go. Oh no, yeah, that's my bad. I'm an idiot. I need to delete that from this one anyway. Delete action. And we've got a computer crash. We'll move it down. So this should work. I'm going to show you the original one first, and then I'm going to show you the one where we've changed the mirror source in there, okay? Because it's going to look super freaking weird. So I'm going to set up a cheeky little command just for me. I'm going to call this crash old. For now, and I'm going to set this to crash original, and I'm going to make it so only can do it so only I can do it. Yeah, that's fine. Add that in there as a message. That should be fine. I'm going to create one called crash new as well. crash new, and set that up to computer crash. Where is it? Am I being blind? Should be at the bottom, right? Oh no, computer crash. That should be it. And I'll set that up for just me to do it so nobody can come and troll. So I'm going to do crash old and crash new. Hey, Bikubot. Bikuta. Why just you? So you can't troll me. So I'm going to do crash old and then crash new. And you should see a difference because of, what's it called? If we go here, the previous scene is originally going to be this, okay? So even if I change it to... so I'm going to go to just chatting. We're going to transfer to just chatting scene. Let me zoom out and just move OBS out of the way. And all I'm going to be doing is typing into my Twitch chat, okay? And you're going to see the two different effects work completely differently. So I'm just going to go to Twitch chat. And I'm going to go to my just chatting scene first. Just here. So we're on this scene. I'm going to do crash. Crash old. So
Jerry, video games are the latest craze to sweep the country and most of the world, too. Millions of people are addicted to hours of gazing at electronic images on game screens in arcades and in their own homes. What makes video games so popular? Jerry, video games are the latest craze.
Behave. So that was the stream crash. Yeah, it is a long crash as well, guys. Mr. Alvius, I've got a video on how to do that. Let me just answer your question before we go into the new crash. If you just Google Andi Lippy Zoom, it'll tell you, dude. Andi Lippy Zoom. How do I create? Copy link address. Here we go. Oh, I can't. Oh my god. I can't actually do anything. Here we go, I'm going to drop it to you now, sir. There you go, that video just there, Mr. Albius. That will sort you out, though. Guys, make sure you're pressing that like button down below, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You was just testing. Jerry's getting more shout out than stream up, I know, right? Good morning, OG Money, how you doing? So much about not trolling you. So, now that we've added in, obviously this isn't available in Streamer.bot right now, but it is going to be available very, very soon. But now, because we've actually going to change the mirrored source by sending OBS raw data with a variable of what the previous scene was, it should now work. Hopefully. This is the first time testing it, so I really hope it works. So we're going to do crash new now. And let's see how it goes, yeah?
Jerry, video games are the latest craze to sweep the country and most of the world, too. Millions of people are addicted to hours of...
So yeah, don't use like Leon on board and Streamer.bot at the same time to execute the same command, otherwise you end up with that. So do you see the power of using a source mirror with a variable like that? It means that you can make crazy janky stuff happen to scenes without adding effects to the scene and messing up your scene, because you just do a source mirror and they can do anything, which is really, really cool. Started watching Nutty on these things, but you say, oh, next level. Thank you, Alvius. Appreciate that, dude. Yeah, Nutty's a good lad. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, can't help but think that would really trolley raid scene. Yeah, 100%. 100%. We will be releasing that as well as a stream up product at some point, that crash. There are a few things that I want to make a little bit better with it, maybe. I don't know. It looks pretty good, actually, doesn't it? It's not too bad. I've obviously got other stuff like that, but that is the power of using source mirrors. It's crazy. This just in, local man loses his shit because something he made broke correctly. So true. No, recently did an impression of your AO Ducky. Course he did. Course he did. As he's a programmer, I'm sure he would go nuts with it. I think he's already doing a stream on it on Wednesday or something like that. I've heard in the grapevine. Yeah, he's loving it. Yeah, I was like, you know what? You always come to Andy Lippy to get stuff first. Do you know what I mean? It's like, if you follow me, you get early access. Do you know what I mean? That's it. That's why we're a small community of only 10,000 people, but yeah, we get all the sneaky stuff first, don't we? And I like it that way. It's like a private group. Do you know what I mean? You saw Andy's vid, mate. That's it. That's it. See, even the best learn from Andy. You remember that, guys? See what he did there? Yeah. Going nuts. I like it. How you doing, Matt? What's going on, dude? But yeah, like, that is such a powerful thing that he's added. Nate has smashed it out of the park with that one, because it just gives me so much functionality to do stuff. You see how it just means that now no matter what scene I'm on, I can make it crash. Like, for instance, if I'm on this scene and I'm showing you something, then I'm just all like, yo, it don't matter what scene I'm on, but it's all kicking off, ain't it? It's like, oh, bollocks.
Jerry, video games are the latest craze to sweep the country and...
Oh, dearie me. Dearie me. But yeah, that's pretty cool, right? It's pretty cool. There's a lot of things that we're going to be able to do with that, because a lot of the stream up stuff uses a lot of variables to change filters, which is pretty powerful stuff, which I really love. What's GeoSim sent me here? Should be pretty easy to recreate. Yeah. Apparently some new variables have been added as well in this release, which is really nice, which is really cool. So that'll be really interesting. There's a couple of things that I'm still wanting, which is really nice. I'm sure there are easier ways to go for a cigarette break, but this is the most fun looking. Exactly, do you know what I mean? But that on my stream triggers anytime somebody does 1,000 bits. So that's why I like, if there's something big, yeah, if there's something big happening, I prefer people to like at least get something out of doing a donation, stuff like that. I think it's important, isn't it? Can Streamer.bot trigger events from... Yeah, there's up to 20 OBS instances, which is so useful for development and stuff like that. I wish there was like an easy way. I don't know if there is actually, but you know, if you are using more than one instance, obviously you can change between the instances here. But I don't know if Nate would add like something like a master for each one. So you can just do like edit here and you can change all of the OBSs at once. If that makes sense. We recently got donated a Stream Deck that's on its way. Don't know who by, but apparently we've got a Stream Deck coming. Don't know about that. No worries, Bongo. We'll see in a minute. Damn, yeah, it's pretty crazy, Jocknicks. Tell you, it's pretty crazy stuff that's going on. Like I say, we got the Final Fantasy alerts all set up, and people watch me make them live on stream yesterday over at Twitch, and I was in disbelief how easy I made it. Like, I made all these different actions here, and it was it Elgato finally? It definitely wasn't Elgato, because they don't care about me. Nobody cares about me, guys. You should know that. Nobody cares about me. I'm just a little guy that's got all the secrets. You know what I'm saying? But nobody cares about me. We should know that. But you guys care about me, and that's all that matters. Yeah, you look like 20 minutes total to put those alerts. Yeah, it was crazy, wasn't it, dude? Absolutely crazy. I do, Andy. Oh, guys. Put your hands up if you care. Or press the fucking like button. No, I'm joking. Such a dick. I'm here for the secrets, that's true. Are you going to start making stuff now, Waldo, or what? Do you know what I mean? Like, look at all the shit I've been making. I've made this, I've made this. I've made this, I made this, I made this, I made this. What are you doing? You made a fart button. You made a fart button. Hey, LeChuck. How you doing, baby? You already know secrets, Waldo. Waldo is a secret. Waldo is the secret. He's got the key and the secret. Exactly. I make a random fart button. Important distinction. Oh my god. You're the worst. Something that I really, really do love, though, this is something that I'm kind of in love with as well, is being able to make, like, toggle switches. So, for things where you want to do special alerts that mute all your sounds, for instance, you can just add an action that'll mute all your sounds. It's so nice. Such a nice little feature. Such a nice little feature. But it's getting pretty full at the minute already, as you can probably see. But it's nice that we've got groups and stuff. I made these cheeky little things as well, which mean if somebody did a tip or donation, obviously it's only really working with Twitch and stuff at the moment, it converts the 3-letter thing to the actual symbol, which is really nice. That was a throwback. What was a throwback, Merlin? I went to chiropractor yesterday. I'm always worried that I'm going to fart while I was cracking my back. Just rip it. Rip it. Powerful as Leon Boy, but much easier. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, there are still some things that I really want in Streamer.bot. But that's the thing. Like, with Nate being such an approachable dude, I literally, like, the key, the secret. Oh, damn. Yeah, we're throwing that back. He's been so open to me just DMing him, and I just like throw in like things at once. It's like on the text source at the moment, we can't do line breaks, which I think is quite an important one. Us at StreamUp use that quite a lot, so I was like, oh, I just kept. I feel like I'm really rude. I just come in and I'm like, line breaks, this. But no, he's been absolutely insane. He really. Literally the most like approachable developer I think I've worked with ever. Like, and he's dealt with my bullshit, so you know he's a good lad. Hats off to Nate. This is a great tool, and personally I found this easier to use than the Orange. Hell yeah. It's on the change log. I've not got it to work. How do you do it? Is there a thing? I've not tested it, actually. I've not tested it at all. I have not tried it. You think you make beginner's guide for Streamer.bot, like the basis of what this, that command does. I'm such a newbie to all of this. I'm going to be doing plenty of videos on it, RNG, don't worry. I don't want anybody to think that I'm not going to be doing stuff with like Leon board still. Don't worry about it. Delay action is better. 100% degen. That's what made this so /n, I don't think it did work. I can do this by putting, let me just build a text source here, text GDI. Make sure it's working. Unless I'm just being an idiot, which 90% of the time I am an idiot. You guys just forget about it. Right, we've got some text up here, haven't we? Welcome back, Bongo. Trying to keep adding the time in. Oh my god, yeah. Like, just before I go into that, like, doing these alerts was so easy because I just copied and pasted, and I was like, oh, I just need to add in another little section in the middle to add 1,000 milliseconds, and then add the cursor position to be in position 5. Boom, done. I was like, oh my god. In Leoran board, I would have had to retime the entire thing, and I would have been like, oh my god. So let's just do a quick text command in here and see what crack is. Add OBS text GDI. Text GDI, that is all it is. Test. What is it? Just /n. You loser. Did I do something wrong? Don't know if that's me. I should get my raid alerts over to SB. Still struggling to get the timing just right. Dude, mate, you need me on it, Waldo. I'm like the king of doing timing. Try double. I'm not being an idiot, am I? Like, it is just a /, isn't it? Or is it like a special /? No. I just genuinely tried enter then. To see if it was that. I'm so new to this still, so I just had to commission someone to help me do stuff in here. You need to... you're never going to learn unless you put yourself out there and do it. If you just keep commissioning people, like, that's why I don't really accept commissions, unless they're like from close friends and stuff, because you're never going to learn unless you just throw yourself into it. Like, I'm not a programmer. I don't know how to program yet. I'm going to be learning, but you can't learn anything unless you really try. You know what I mean? Any other ideas from guys? /n /r maybe? Should be in there. Update OBS and slobs. Set GDI to support /n. Guess it don't work. Yeah, it must not be. I might just send him a quick DM maybe. Yo, Gasp, what's going on? Awesome. By the way, /n still doesn't work in 1.1. Just so he knows. It should be /n. Going through a GDI source. But how you doing, Gasp? You good? But maybe he's just like forgotten to activate or something like that. It was similar to the what was it? The host. Host wasn't a thing on there either. Is this an alternative to Leoran board or in addition to it? It depends on literally what your setup is. Mace, like, I'm using both right now, but I do honestly love Streamer.bot. I think the organization of it is just amazing. Does this remember now? Yeah, look, so it does remember as well. Look, so if I shut down these boxes in this new version, it always remembers what was shut and stuff. So the organization of this is just so good. So you can just leave everything completely shut, which is really nice, and then be like using everything and be like, oh, Final Fantasy alerts. Oh, I want to go and check that. Like, do you know what I mean? It's beautiful. It really is. Just woke up, but I'm ridiculously excited about this. Well, if you're that excited, make sure you press the like button. Whoa, segue!
Let's double check it. Tested it and it worked.
I'll just tell him I'm live on YouTube because he might not know I'm over here on YouTube. I'm currently using both, just waiting on Waldo and friends to port Pokemon across. The thing is, do you know if Waldo puts his mind to it, he's going to have so much capability, because we had a lot of ideas of features to add, and the fact that he's very fluent in C# means that we're going to be able to smash any freaking thing with Pokemon. I mean, how easy is it going to be to implement the features that we wanted to implement before, Waldo? Do you know what I'm saying? Do it. You have not pressed the like button. Well, press the bloody like button. Work is just a bitch at the moment. Yeah. I'd say you and me both, but I'm definitely not at work. He said he's waking up still. I thought, haha, we have a coffee for you. He's such a nice dude. Such a nice dude. So more than 151. I don't know. I don't know. Waldo, for the second Pokemon and Friends 2, do you think we should add the second generation of Pokemon? I feel like that'd be really cool. Release it with more Pokemon, more features. Mate, all the people that are gonna have modded it and stuff like that are gonna be like, oh my god, to all the features that we wanted to add if we get them in. Like, do you know what I mean? It's gonna be fucking insane. It's gonna be so good. Yo, Snuggy, Andi, you're the best. Love your work on the vid. Saw you on and had to stop by. Snuggy, thank you so much for the $10, dude. Much love. Really is very kind of you. Look at that love, guys. Look at that love. Which videos have you been watching, Snuggy? I'm more civilized than that. I'll take some tea. Love that, Nate. We'll grab you a tea. Yeah, we were just on about this. I don't know if it's me being a dum-dum or what. But testing this. No, Worko. Unless... Nah, I don't know. Option to have different balls in, two in case it's a shiny. I don't know. I'm not... We want to leave some mystery to you guys. We don't want to give you everything away. Do you know what I mean? Because we've got some huge things working at the moment, which I'm really excited. Leon-bot coverage mainly, manipulating a lot of them to customize to things I've been trying in OBS. Nice, Snuggy. I mean, if you ever have any questions or anything, I stream all the time on Twitch. I never advertise my Twitch on my YouTube channel, which is really dumb of me. I don't do the old, oh, make sure you subscribe and all that stuff, because I don't care for that. I'm here to teach you guys. Do you know what I mean? I'm not here to preach about myself. Monkey Boy, good afternoon to you, sir. What's going on, dude? I put it all out on my channel that if someone got all 151, I would make them VIP. So need more to stop that happening. I love that. I'll have to double check. It was working on my tests. No worries. I genuinely thought it was me being a dum-dum. I mean, my OBS is up to date. Everything should be cool. So it should technically work. Just in case nobody knows, Nate1280 that is in chat right now is the guy that made this. He is the sole developer of Streamer.bot. He's amazing. Watching you, bud. How you well? I'm always well, Monkey Boy. You should know that by now, dude. You should know that. Because I was in your Discord too, but I stopped using Discord when I switched to Gilded, unfortunately. It's all good, Snuggy. Well, we're always open to you on Twitch or whenever. Make sure you get followed over there. Like, we're always doing stuff like this, and I'm always answering questions. I'm going to be doing more Twitch streams as well. We're going to be doing more Twitch streams and more YouTube streams, sorry, as well, a month. At the moment, I'm aiming for at least one a month, but I do want to end up nearly doing one a week, depending on what my work shifts are and stuff like that. So you won't miss anything. What would you suggest for someone that's about to jump into streaming? Has no knowledge of Discord. Hey, how about a vid on Discord? I can't even join. I know that feel. Snuggy! Jeez! That was a stream over, that was a cheeky little sub over on and follow. Thank you, Snuggy. Dropped a T1 sub over at Twitch. Thank you so much. the cumulative variable didn't work there, Nate. I don't know if that was intentional or if that's broken or something. You used the T1, didn't you? So oh, I don't think I don't need to pull the information, do I? Because it should automatically be in the event trigger, right? Or do I have to actually pull pull user info for target or something like that? Or I don't know. No, I don't think I do I? It seems I also forgot to, we've already done a demo of using that, Nate, actually, variables. We did a great demonstration of my computer crash scene. We added in the OBS raw set mirror to previous scene. So that sets the settings of the mirror source to whatever the previous scene was. So we've done a demonstration of that and how utilizing something like that can really change how everything works. Really, really good. I support good content creators. Thank you so much, Snuggy, dude. That is so kind of you. I never really ask for anything, so it does mean a huge, huge amount. So thank you so much. So yeah, awesome stuff on that, Nate. Absolutely beautiful stuff. What have I missed? Yeah, honestly, Jock Nicks, it's incredible. If you, oh yeah, like Waldo says, you guys, if you've got YouTube Premium, after the stream, consider pressing that download button, because then it tells YouTube that you've watched 100% of the stream. That's pretty poggers. So that is great for the old that algorithm to watch 100% of a 2-3 hour video. So yeah, after the stream, make sure you do press it. I don't know why it's just said put your rocking for the stone. I think somebody's followed on Twitch, maybe. I don't know what that was. That was really random. Oh no, Weston's TV Tidbits. Thank you for the subscription. It's so confusing when you've got multiple OBSs open. One's connected to Twitch and one's connected to YouTube. And then you've got like Streamer.bot doing its thing, and you've got Leorenbot doing its thing on a different thing. And it's like, what? Whatever. Like, absolutely crazy. I absolutely love it. Love it. So has anybody got any questions on anything we've been covering so far, and they need a little bit of help on anything? I'm considering releasing the video today that we're going to be doing, even though I'm doing a stream today. Normally if I do a stream I don't release a video, but it's Streamer.bot. I want to keep throwing it out. And alert on YouTube before it appears in chat. I know, right? It's crazy. It is crazy. Remember as well, if you are new in here and you're enjoying it, press the like button. Yeah. You know how it works, guys. You know how it works. Nate, if you are still here, this is what I have created for the welcome message, like I told you about. I have created first words. Have I deleted it? Oh my god! I deleted it. Why did I delete it? I have saved it, so that is fine. But I've created this message that will go just like this on screen, and it'll pop up wherever you want it. And it's built just using Streamer.bot, so I'm exporting that, and I'm doing the video on how to do a first words welcome message, and then giving people a free download of the unofficial stream up version of that, because we will be doing a proper official one with our new system in place when that has been created. Since Streamer.bot is going to be the easier thing to use, why continue on Leoren board? Any advantage using Leoren over SB? I'm getting asked this a lot, right? And you got to think, Leoren board is basically when people create extensions for that, it's JavaScript. In Streamer.bot, it's C#. So again, that depends on the user and the programmers out there, what you're going to be able to do with it. I mean, the stuff, because C# is built directly into the bot, means you don't have to like make an external extension and then bring it in and stuff like that. It's just built into the bot and you can share your code, done, which is crazy. So it's one of those things like, there's always a place in my heart for Leoran Board, because that was the first thing that got me into doing all this crazy YouTube stuff and innovations and everything like that. So I know Leoran Board inside and out. So I'm like, right, I'm pretty cool. Like, for me to kind of almost drop Leoran Board is really stupid, because my audience is based around Leoran Board. But I'm not going to be dropping that at all. I want to throw that out there to you. But then when you get given a piece of software that looks as beautiful and, well, I wouldn't say beautiful, but you know what I mean, looks as clean and easy to use as Streamer.bot, then you kind of like, do you know what I mean? It makes you think. So functionally, Leoran Board's had longer to implement features in. So Leoran Board can literally control anything, whereas Streamer.bot is getting there now. Like in 1.1, like we spoke about doing OBS Raw, we've got more control over that, being able to send variables, so I can create really advanced kind of goal bars almost and stuff like that. We're going to be able to save data to files as well and then read that information. Oh, that was something about reading a random line. Can we read a specific thing? I'm guessing, obviously that can be, that's the thing. If you know C#, you can make anything happen. So I am going to be learning how to do that. Looking forward to the Streamer.bot website now. I'm very tempted. Do it, monkey. It's free, dude. It's always going to be free. It's got the most sophisticated TTS that I have ever seen. Like, it's so good. I've not really been using the TTS myself, just because I never have time to upgrade my own stream. I only have time to make you guys appreciate and teach you how to do stuff. I never have enough time to make my stream look good, so that's why I don't really get massive amount of views and whatnot, because I don't have the time to do it. I prioritize my time for you guys, and that's why I don't spend ages editing videos, because I'm like, you guys just want to learn something. That's it. Let's get on with it. Let's sort it. So do it. 1.1 is it will get released soon, I guess, Steve, but it's only for early access at the moment. Assuming you need to populate a text file with the info and then present that as an overlay. Yeah, 100%. But then I need math stuff. So I will need some math operators to be able to say, oh, I need this goal bar to only be filled 69%, sorry. Or something like that, so that'd have to be edited. Do you know what I mean? As soon as I get math operators, I can do anything. But I'm wanting to learn C# anyway, so I think that's important. Good morning, Jeff. How we doing? After thinking about it, I should have added more to red. No, Jeff. I think it looks quite good. I don't mind the grey hair. I think it does look quite. She's done the fade really well. I think she's done a really good job, bless her. Always it's best to hop into Discord and post there. Yeah, 100%. Maybe Nate, do you want to stop me? Shall I stop DMing you? Because I just spam your DMs like an idiot, don't I? It's just I didn't want to spam the Discord with like one lines going text this. Because when I'm streaming, I'm just like finding things and I'm like, oh, this could be a cool idea. This could be good. This doesn't work. This. So, do you know what I mean? I feel like, because I don't compile it, I just like, go like that. I was bigging you up. I was like, you're just like the most patient person ever. The fact that I'm just like bugging you all the time and just firing shit at you. Because I'm the worst person in the world. Everyone does Discord. Yeah, they really do. Is Streamer.bot working to get a direct connection to YouTube? It only shows connected to Twitch. It's only available on Twitch, Glory, at the moment. At the moment. That was a reference to a credit roll. Oh, yeah. It's all good. Cheers, Nate. Wow. Andi knows C#. Andi learns C#. Shut up. You and your programmer humor. Dum-dum. Nah. Hey, admit it, Waldo. You were slightly impressed when I was just typing out Jason. You were impressed. Admit it. I wonder if you admit it, that you were impressed that I just wrote that. I know it was the most basic Jason file ever, but I did it. I just wrote it without errors. I just did it. I I was impressed you didn't miss the comma again. I shit you not, Waldo, the only reason I missed the comma is because I copied and pasted. That is the only reason I missed the comma, 100%. Because, like, I don't think when I get into programming, that will be a thing that I miss. Because the way that I normally even just write in English, I overuse commas. Anytime that I think I'm at the end, I bang a comma. Like, do you know what I mean? Or a full stop. Like, I'm quite... I use a lot of punctuation when I'm writing. So, I feel like I touch wood. That's not going to be a big problem when I get into doing it. Jez, how are we doing, baby? How are you getting on? You good? Infinite loops are never fun. That's the story of me, though. I am an infinite loop. Nay, I am. Should have a short circuit there, indeed. I'm gonna sort you out, sunshine. Don't you worry. I will sort you out. Does anybody have any questions on stuff like Streamer.bot related or just anything in general that you want answering or anything like that? Gotta work, need my work day started. No worries, Nate. If you ever need anything, dude, let me know as well. Like I say, hopefully I will be dropping a video again today on the welcome message. If not today, it will be tomorrow. But you know what? I'm trying to really push for a video a day for Streamer.bot this week. I really am. I know it's a lot of work, but I'm gonna do what I can. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, to control OBS using Streamlabs channel points. In play, I don't really do anything to do with Streamlabs, but I will be doing a Streamlabs Streamer.bot video. So all I can say is just make sure you stay tuned for that coming. Hopefully it'll be coming this week. But I've got to breathe in deep, out deep, all that jazz. Because I'm installing slobs. That's a big deal for me. You know what I mean? It's a big thing. I have all the questions about SB. Well, fire away, dude. Like, me answering your questions helps me learn. Remember, this is a brand new piece of software for me. I've been using it probably about a week, actually. I've probably been using it about a week. So this is, like, so new to me. So I'm happy to try and work something out for you to see if we can work it out together. I think it's good. More heads in the basket is better than one. Gatekeeper, how we doing? Luke Skywalker, what's going on? You over there looks a little bear without a two. I know. Stay tuned for that, Jez, because it should be happening soon. Don't you worry. Don't do it, Andy. It's a trap. Everyone's like, no, no, no. We all know that it's going to be the most viewed video on my YouTube channel about slobs. You definitely know it. I'm going to put money on it that it's going to be the most popular video on my channel, and it's gonna make me want to die. But there is any neat stuff they want to share that they've done, be sure to post it on Twitter, tag Streamer.bot, or tag it on YouTube. Love that, Nate. Love that, dude. Love that. Yeah, 100%, guys. Get sharing any creations and stuff like that. I've got one coming later today, hopefully, that you'll be able to just start using, crack on with it. It's not the official Stream Up release because we've got something in the works at the moment. We're not releasing any Stream Up stuff until this new piece of software is released that I'm super hyped about, that we've commissioned Exceldro to make. You'll be loving that. Yo, Jeff, thank you for $5 US. Can SB get last game played so I could post it into chat for a shout out? I've not actually had a look at that, actually. I think I did see something on the variable section of that. Just bear with me a second. I'll come back to it because I don't want to miss what's going on in chat right now. So YouTube started like Leon, to control my OBS is what I want to know. Thanks in advance. It will be able to do soon in play because Leon board is currently being worked on by Christina to make a YouTube variant of Leon board. So yeah, stay tuned for that, dude. I'm actually using one at the moment so people can actually do some chat commands already because I'm using the unofficial Stream Up version, which has not been released because, well, it's going to be built into Leon board soon, so we've kind of not released it. Andy sponsored by Elgato next. Don't know enough about it yet, so actually form decent questions that make sense. Well, just get playing with it, Gasp, and any questions, you know, I'm always on stream and stuff, so we can do it. I know nothing about programming, so will Streamer.bot be still good enough for me? dude, you've been using Leorenboard, and that's more programming than Streamer.bot. So make of that as you will. And again, I'm not a programmer either, so just gotta throw that one. I'd rather keep my head on my shoulders than put it in a basket. Well, I want you to put it in a basket, all right? If a game has a very in-depth API, could something be coded into the Streamer.bot to have stats? Oh yeah, 100%, dude. 100% DD. As long as you know how to code in C#, dude, you can crack on and make anything you want, man. Again, thanks to the $5, Jeff. Let me get on it. I'm sure it can. Let me have a look. Have I still got the variables open? Don't know if it is still a variable, but this is one of the things, like, if it's not there, ask and you'll receive. That's all I've learnt so far at the moment. Oh, there. The user's current game category. There you go. Yes. I don't know whether that'll save the info from, yeah. So, because obviously you're still playing. So, yeah, 100%. There is one in there. We've got some new people coming in here. Zach, how we doing, baby? Singster, Lucky Lee, hey, babies. We got Ruan, D-Pod, Dolphin, and Pad E. You all need to press that like button that's down below, right? Where are you getting that from? Let me send you the link. This is the one that Andrew just sent across to me. So let me just send it you. I don't know if this has been added just in this version, though. But it will be coming properly soon, this version, because it seems pretty stable so far. I don't think it'll be too much in development. I hope you're doing good, Sinkster. I've not seen you in a while. Lee, what have you been up to? Just joined. What's this commissioned software? What are you saying, Lee? What are you saying, man? I'm not commissioned nothing, bruv. Streamer.bot is a way simpler so far, and that's coming from a programmer. Hell yeah, it is. Especially now we've got custom variables in OBS Raw, which is beautiful. Unstoppable now, really am. Hey, Lippy, how are you doing today? I'm good, Pad. How are you? For me, personally, I can never change from Leorenboard because with port forwarding, anyone around the world can connect and remote produce broadcasts. What? You can never change from Leorenboard? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I don't know what you mean, Dolphin. Ruan, how you doing? Kruger. Hello there. Hello to you. Can SB trigger a Stream Deck key? Dude, yeah, there is a Stream Deck plugin for that, Snuggie. I've not got a Stream Deck at the moment. I've got one getting shipped to me at the moment. That somebody's been kind enough to gift. So I'll be able to test stuff like that as well, and we will be doing a video on it as well, which will be really good. It's going really well so far. Just enjoying Streamer.bot so far. Awesome. Have you made anything cool with it, Zach? Anything you want to share? Anything like that? Who made Streamer.bot? It was Nate, Daddy Cool. It was Nate. I always get the numbers mixed up because I'm not very good at 1820, 2018, 1280. There we go. Jeez, that was difficult. Howdy. How you doing, Ryden? What's going on? I did the game show stream last night, mate. Was a lot of fun. How did it go, Lee? That sounds awesome. As you said there, ask and you shall receive, just like the stream. Thank you, guys. 1280. And how difficult was it? I said like all the numbers in every single order. I knew what numbers were there, but yeah, I just couldn't put it all together, which was a little bit of a shame, wasn't it? Doing good. That's good to hear. I know. I mean, I know there is a Stream Deck plugin, but actually trigger the buttons. Oh, yeah, there you go. It can do batch files. Hey, Truey. How you doing, Treacle? What's going on, baby? We still need to do a bloody collaboration, but I don't know what you want to do it on. Maybe Streamer.bot. Maybe Streamer.bot. Maybe Streamer.bot. Maybe Streamer.bot. I don't know how high my voice. Maybe Streamer.bot. Is there a way to pull Twitch user's profile picture? Yo, Emily, thank you for following over on Twitch. Appreciate it, baby. What was it? Is there a way to pull Twitch profile blah, 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 and display it on a stream in Leoran board. There is it's actually built into the recent update of Leoran board already. It's an extension called Pull Profile Picture or whatever it is. It should be built into the latest update as long as you're up to date in Leoran board. We run the Leoran board receiver on my PC, and another producer runs the Stream Deck client and connects to my PC. Ah, yeah. That makes sense. That's cool. I'm sure you can do that sort of stuff in Streamer.bot. Maybe at some point. Oh. Add it as a thing. It's just Andi Lippy, Daddy cool. It's just Andi Lippy. I'm Andi Lippy on everything. What, champ? How did you find it? They reached out to me. I know one of their good friends, Lifesaver. He's an insane dude. That is just all round awesome guy, VR streamer, a legend. Which is cool. You were close enough. Yeah. Broke OBS. Oh, I love that. Yeah. I always break OBS, Lee. Don't you worry about it. Daddy Cool, thank you for the follow over on Twitch as well, Bobby. That just like stopped the alert because I changed scene because I'm a loser. I've been using speech text feature, a face tracking plugin. Oh my days, Zach, that sounds awesome, man. If you can answer this, then SB does it. Then I can move everything from LB. Can SB do the motion stuff like you do with Waldo's iOS Messenger? Why don't you just use the Xeldro's Move Transition plugin and then activate filters? Or use show and hide transitions and just show and hide the filter, the source. That's what I'm saying. Then it keeps everything in OBS and I can make stuff cross-platform, which is cool. It's amazing. I know, right? It's good. I'm good, thanks, True. What have you been up to, sweet? You've been busy. Greetings from Switzerland. Hey, Emily. I struggled then. I don't know what's wrong with me. Greetings from the UK, bud. Wait, I need to keep Leoran board up to date. Yes, you do. If only there was a really handsome chap on the internet, Truey, that's made a video on how to back up and update Leoran board. I can't remember his name. Sandy Trippy or something like that. Apparently, some handsome dude on the internet has done a video. He'll be able to help you out. SB doesn't currently support motion stuff directly, but you can set up. Yeah, exactly. But then you can code it in C# as well. Yeah, that's crazy. Dead nice. How you doing? Best way to reach out to me? Discord, dude. Discord. I've got my Discord. The link should be in the description down below, buddy. Good morning, Mom. How you doing, sweet? Are you drunk? This is the question. Move source plugin is the best, honestly. Yeah, and show and hide transitions. I mean, this is how I'm doing the new update to the Andi Lippy welcome message, because I just use show and hide transition to go boop, boop, boop. That's not animated with the move transition or anything like that. That is just show and hide transition, which is insane, because it just means I don't have to add. There's no filters on them alerts at all there. No filters. That is just 3 different sources with show and hide transitions. Easy, dudes. Easy. It would be awesome if you get a chance to check out the VOD and see what you think. A lot of things breaking. Lee, yeah, bang it in my Discord. Bang a link to it, and I'll watch it whilst I'm cooking tea tonight. Because I always like checking stuff out that people are being innovative about, and that's what it's about. Yeah. I was searching for Andrew Lippy because I couldn't exactly remember the name. Oh, it's just Andi Lippy. Andy with an I, L-I-P-P-I. One word. Not yet. Well, crack on, Mum. Come on, sort it out. Sort it out.
You're rocking for the stone.
Apparently, we've had an alert already, but it's not popped up. It's so trippy. There we go. Daddy Cool. Thank you for the sub, baby. I don't know why the alerts are not working on screen now. I don't know what I've done. I must have pressed something to stop it from working, but I don't know what. Oh, no! I know what I've done. There we go. That's why they were turned off. They were physically turned off. What an idiot. They'll work now. Now to have 2 scenes where one of the scenes your webcam have random corners and another scene you don't have. I've got a video on that, nice. There's a video on it. If you Google Andi Lippy Zoom. Oh, I've already Googled it. Don't worry. I've got it here. Oh my god, that's annoying that I'm not signed in there, so I can't send links. Remember, guys, press the like button down below. Love you. Where do I get chat back? Here we go. What sub was that? That was from subbing on YouTube, darling. That was from subbing on YouTube. I just had the visual thing off. So if there's somebody not subbed now, if you sub, you'll be able to see it. Like, there's some chat triggers. If you do ! photo and then write something, it'll take a photo of me as well. Good morning from Detroit. Hey, K-Balls, you good? What's going on with you, dude? Is Leon on board mobile usable? I tried it, it never worked for me. Thanks for that. Thanks for that. This should work. Yeah. There you go. What's this? How are you triggering stuff with YouTube, Andi? Whoa! Love it. He said pee-pee, 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 pee-pee. You like that, don't you? Did you forget a comma? No. Okay, I have a request. Could the menu be reordered a bit so the delete action isn't right above move to group? Maybe write that in the Discord as a feedback. YouTube needs channel points. Hell yeah, it does. Hell yeah, it does. I completely agree. Thanks for doing all the tests, Bongo. That's so kind of you. 007 should work as well, I think. Is 007 set up for YouTube? I think it is. That rollout on the photo, hell yeah, Snuggie. Version 2.0 of Polaroid picture. It's going to be available on Streamer.bot first. Actually wondering where to get those dope shirts looking comfy. It's me! It's Andi Lippy in the studio! Which channel is best to ask something you can answer on the stream? You can just ask in stream now, dude. You can ask now. If it's a question that you want to talk about now, then just ask now. You're more than welcome to. There it is. I need it, Andi. Mighty need. I'm afraid it's going to be a £10 donation to get it, unfortunately. You need to... Everybody needs to donate £10 if they want this. Because I've got to make the monies now. Do you know what I mean? Like... I'm doing this full... Nah, I'm not joking. It's going to be free, babies. We don't charge for shit around here. Best business opportunity. It's completely free. Just give us plenty of time, and it'll be out. Will this be working on Facebook Live as well? No. Unfortunately, it won't be. By cross-platform, I mean, stuff will only be working on Twitch and then potentially YouTube. Facebook's API is not so good, unfortunately. And this shirt's really old, by the way. I don't know where it is from. It's from Next. It's from Next. There it is. That's so good. 007 is amazing. Thanks, Sids. Appreciate it. Simon, how you doing? But yeah, sadly it won't be working. Snuggie, I hate my... Thank you, dude. I don't know why my donation alerts aren't working, but I appreciate it, man. That's crazy. Will it work on Mixer? Yeah, 100%. Can all these effects be set up all on one screen? Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, Gatekeeper. That's what you do with nested scenes, buddy. It means... That's what we was talking about previously. How if I show you my OBS right now... let me turn this off because we're not actually using that. And I'll zoom in. Let me just actually do a studio mode so we don't get confused. If I go to like my Twitch disconnection scene or something like that, I have a source mirror and it shows me my previous scene. So when I change to this scene, as long as I use a cut, it won't look like I've changed scene to you guys because it's exactly the same. So if I change this to the monitor scene, press OK. Both of these scenes now are exactly the same. So if I zoom out, even if I change to this scene right here, it's going to look exactly the same. I'm actually going to add my audio source because then I can show you. If I go to import just there we go. I turn studio mode off and I'm going to switch to my... Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. You're not even going to notice a difference. I'm going to go to Twitch disconnection. Now I am on a different scene to the previous one. I'm going to go back to the other one. You don't even notice a difference, right? Because I'm using a mirrored nested scene. And the reason why it's a scene mirror and not just a nested scene is because I can change that to any previous scene that we were previously on, which is pretty cool. Inspector Gadget Stream. Hell yeah, Manny. Hell yeah, baby. I almost started working with LB. What? The Polaroid picture or which one? Can I ask a question about audio? Yeah, I can try my best, Adrian, to help you out. What makes come chopper at your head? What? I'm not doing no chopper. What are we saying? What are we saying? Oh no, VLC audio on MS Teams via OBS. What you'd have to do is probably turn source mirroring on. It depends how you're going into Microsoft Teams, to be honest. It really just depends. Because if your output is not outputting the audio, then you need to change your output. If you're using something like voice meter, then you need to make sure that that is being directed down the correct channel to such and such. Damn, your OBS looks complete. My OBS looks a complete mess compared to yours. I have got some videos, LeChuck, on how to organize OBS and make it look clean and everything like that. Do I need a virtual audio cable? Yeah, that's for the best experience. Love to see the proper scene naming and separating. A man of culture up in here. Hell yeah, dude. You gotta look after your shit. Do you know what I mean? You gotta look after it, Daddy Cool. This is why people follow, because I give them the real straight facts on what they need to be doing. Get good habits now, because then it won't cause you any problems in the future. You know what I'm saying? Basically, you need loopback audio for MS Teams. Not necessarily. I mean, I've been using, well, it depends, yeah. Gonna have to get a lot of stuff set up tonight and then tag you, Nate and Andy. Yeah, 100% do it. I can't wait to see it. Yo, Short Stack, how we doing, bud? I love you. Right, I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm just gonna fill my drink up and pop to the little boy's room, all right? Won't be a second. Press the like button and don't troll me whilst I'm away, please. Thank you. You're all trolls. Our previous scene's not working. Oh my god. I've got a banana. Are you all done? You know. The man got shot eating a banana. Monsters! I'm just trying to eat my banana, man. Yo, Waldo, thank you for the €2. Are you ready? 3, 2. Oh, shit. The orange bud's just had a problem. Transmitter packet. DD Gravy, did you try hack? I am not gonna lie, that slow-mo eating the banana at the end there was amazing. Actually amazing. Alright. Actually amazing. Think all the trolling missed some messages. I'm sorry, what did I miss? How are you, Short Stack? I see you in here. That was well timed, wasn't it, guys? Thank you for all being so kind and nice to me. Waldo, thank you for the €2, baby. Clip. Oh wait. Wasted indeed. Wasted indeed. 100, baby. How you doing, 100? I'm gonna pay you to press that like button, 100. No, I'm joking. You love me, so you will do it anyway. Right, what should we do? What do you want to do? I feel like we've been streaming for ages and we've not done it. Anybody else with YouTube Premium, by the way, after this stream, will you press the download button? That'd be very, very much appreciated if possible. Yo, Snuggy! What the hell, dude? Coming in with a $25 donation? Stream Elements is drunk. Is that one of the ones that you've done through the link down below, by the way? Just so I know. Because I'm running... Oh my god, everybody! Stop donating, man! Thank you, Bongo. Troll! Are you all fit? Are you all done? Donation alert didn't fire. No, Andrew, it's because we're obviously on Twitch, so there's certain things that we're on YouTube, sorry. Certain things aren't working. Snuggy, thank you so much for the $25 donation, buddy. Sorry you don't get a little alert or anything, but my love should be enough for that. Thank you everybody that's just been supporting as well. It goes a long way. Just to tell you where it does go. Steve, thank you as well. Just to let you guys know what happens with the money right now. A lot of the money that I've been earning from YouTube and Twitch and from you guys supporting via Patreon and stuff like that, most of it, nearly all of it, is being saved at the moment, because in January, February, March time, I'm going to be dropping another day at work, so I can do more content for you guys full time. So I'm basically saving up money just in case, say 1 month at streaming, because I've had it happen before. 1 month I might just get like £200. That's not enough to pay the bills, do you know what I mean? So I've been saving as much as I can so I can kind of take a bit of a risk, lose time, do more YouTube videos for you and everything like that. So it genuinely is going to a good cause, because it means that more people will get to see more videos and I'll be able to cover more and more things in the future as well. So thank you all so much. It really is appreciated. Hey, Jonathan, how you doing, buddy? Probably going to need a point system. Hell yeah, we are. Snuggy, you're not on this stream, but now if you've used that link down below, your name's going to be on every single video in the description below. So thank you for that. Anybody that uses the Stream Elements link on YouTube, all their details kind of go, and it says thank you on every single video. In fact, not every single video at the moment, but it will be on every single video when I've finally gone through them all, because it's using the Mercury stuff from Stream Elements, which is absolutely insane. I genuinely love that feature so much. It is beautiful. It is literally amazing. There you go. Yeah, most recent tippers, Snuggy. I'll just pull it onto this screen so you can see it. In fact, I can't see what I'm doing now because I'm an idiot. So you can see here, anybody that uses these links down below, like when they join, you probably see the recent channel member here, Life's a Game, that joined. He was the recent one that joined this time as a little ducky, £2 a month. Recent tippers, you'll see. So you guys are honestly awesome. Thank you so much. Back to just chatting. Let me catch up with what we were saying. Yeah, but Streamer.bot is connected to Stream Elements, so it should work anyway. It's going through a different port. Because I use multiple versions of OBS, Andrew, so yeah, don't worry. Unless it should have fired, actually. Yeah, I don't know then. No, it won't, because it's going through my Stream Elements YouTube API rather than the Stream Elements Twitch API, right? That'll be why, I think. Good, my friend. I don't need an alert. Just help good friends. I love it. Much love. Definitely get sharing what you do later on. Steve, again, I think I said thank you for the $3. But thank you, buddy. When will you be in the new house? Literally, as soon as we get moved into the new house, which is it's probably February, March time. As soon as we get moved into the new house, that's when I'm going to be dropping the day. So, yeah, you'll know. I'll keep you all up to date and everything like that. I'm going to try and get loads of videos ready as well in that meantime, because obviously it's going to be like a week or two that I'm probably going to have to move and not do videos for, which is a little bit of a shame, but I'm sure we'll work it out. Right on. Yeah, hell yes, Nuggy. So thank you again. I think I got lost in all the shooting and photography we did, but I've updated Leoran. Where is it that you're able to pull the Twitch user's image from? So in Leoran Bud, go... When you're adding a command, for instance, let me just add a button. Add a command, press the plus sign, go down here and go to search for send to extension, and then you'll have on this drop down list get profile picture. And then you type in the username or use a variable in there, and then save it to whatever you want the variable to save as. That's it. A nice, simple one for you there. Quick question. I'm getting high OBS CPU usage when streaming. Is there a way to get that down? It depends what you've got in your OBS. It could be your settings. So I'd recommend going on tools and running the what's it called? The auto configuration window to make sure that your computer is fine to handle everything. Obviously, you can tweak with them settings yourself, but normally that sorts you out pretty well. Do that, and then obviously make sure you haven't got like too many things going on, like stream effects and stuff, because that'll make your GPU usage go up and everything will start slowing down, and that won't be good. If LB trigger is !chat message, how do you get it to show the message they type after the command? You need to use a thing called a wildcard in Leoran Bud. So in Leoran Bud, when you've got your blank button or whatever you're going to be using, you add your Twitch trigger, and we're going to press the plus. We add, say, chat message. We can do !chat, and then we add a star in there. And that is basically going to be anything. So it's going to be, as soon as somebody types in !chat space anything, it's going to remember what that anything is. So we'd press done, and we add the command, and then we do a wildcard pull. And we're going to call this message, for instance. This is a variable name, so you'll have to have something like specific. The wildcard number is 0. Turn to real is false, because it's going to be a string. It's going to be a set of, it could be a number as well, but it's going to be a message. So we do that, and then what we can do is go and use that information anywhere. So if I type in text GDI, for instance, I still have this source still up here, and we're connected text GDI, and then if I do $message $/ press OK. Now, when I turn this text source on in OBS, the one that says loser at the moment, and I go to Twitch and type in !chat, this is a test message, it changes that to this is a test message. So you can see I've just typed that into Twitch chat. I can do it again. Just like so. Mate, I'm on fire today. I'm on fire. This is amazing. You got wheel spinning now. Get loads done tonight. Snuggy, did you see the little F1 thing that I created? Have you seen that? Check this out. Absolutely love this. Anybody that's got Twitch open, you can obviously type it in. This is completely animated in nothing but OBS. It's just using OBS filters and everything like that. Which is freaking cool. Like, if I zoom in, you'll be able to see that the car tires and everything like that move on their own. So cool. So cool. Almost 6 months. Damn. Thank you. You rock. You too, Sids. Thank you. Hey, chicken. What's going on? What's your take on NDI? I'm not going to lie, I don't really use it. I don't really use it, Daddy Cool. Just my setup, it doesn't really do anything. That's why I've never really done any videos on it. But hopefully, maybe at some point we will. Hey, Drunk Mom, thank you for becoming a little ducky. I think that's, what, £2 a month, something like that? So thank you so much. It really is appreciated. I know YouTube don't take as much of a cut as Twitch, so it really is super appreciated. Thank you. Thank you, Andy. Is it better to go 720 at 60 or 1080 at 30? I'm a big fan of 60 frames a second because I think fluidity is a lot better. And to be honest, most people that watch you are probably watching you on mobile anyway. So they're probably on a small screen. So I favor frames per second rather than quality. Which, again, that is completely up to you. It's your stream. Do you know what I mean? As long as you think it looks good, that's all that matters. And then you can put wildcard wherever you want between static text, exactly like Steve says. Just thought I could do a live Streamer Lounge episode on YouTube. Yes, you could, Bongo. You should totally do that. You are member number 11 as well, Mum. So thank you. Not many people really use the YouTube member system. I'm not gonna lie. And that's why I've started saying it at the end of my videos. I'm just like, oh, you can use it, by the way. I've created some software and stuff as well. I'd love to have people use. I'd love to be able to reach out to you and take a look at some of the things. 100% Daddy Cool, yeah, I'm down with that. NDI is just nice for the dual PC life if your main PC isn't good enough. Yeah, exactly. My main PC was never good enough, but somehow I got along with it. So I was using a R9 290 GPU. And I was using a single monitor. Obviously, my processor wasn't too bad. It was a Ryzen 5. It weren't too bad at all. But yeah, I was using a single monitor, an R9 290 GPU, and I was recording YouTube videos. Yeah, I think you can see where I'm going from. Like, as long as you don't overdo it, you should be good. Do you know what I mean? Wheels rotate, percent manip, and then positional X, ease in, continue off screen. I'll show you through it now, Snuggy. Yo, Tennessee, sweet dreams, Tennessee. How you doing? Ayo, Ducky. Oh my god, I need to clean my keyboard. Need to do it. So the way that it's working is we have the car come on. It takes 750 milliseconds. Then it moves into position 2. So position 1, it goes to there. Position 2 slows down and goes to there. And then it automatically moves to... So it's 3 different movements. So it... Yeah. It took some tweaking. But that's basically 3 different move filters. This one just resets it, and this one resets the group. So don't worry about that. They just basically put it over here. So on, it just goes, which is really cool, right? You're in the US, right? No, I'm in the UK, Daddy Cool. I love how you get extremely good quality on YouTube. It's just terrible for interaction. Well, hopefully that will be changing soon, Short Stack, since we're going to be getting Leora on board for YouTube, which is super exciting. How goes the 3060? I've got a 3070, Steve. Babe. I've got a 3070, and it's the best thing in the world. Andy using stream beats. I know, right? If only there was another thing out there, right? To go with the new logo for Streamer Lounge. Yeah, I love that new logo, by the way. I did comment on that in the Discord, didn't I? So my question is this. Have you ever encountered a situation where applying a color correction filter causes a source, media, video, to become super bright despite the filter being set to default? I have not seen that before. But I have used some stuff previously that has made stuff look a bit weird. So like when I'm using move value filters and a color correction, or move value filters and other stuff like that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes you can get bugs like that. Just make sure everything's up to date that you're using, but I've never seen it just on a color correction filter at all. That's pretty new to me. Hey Juan, how you doing? Hi all of you, greetings from Puerto Rico. Lovely. Love your channel and the content. Thank you so much, buddy. Sweet, I'm surprised I was able to decode it. Similar to barrel roll spins. Love it. Hell yeah. The wheels animate in a similar way. but they are 3 different animations. One goes like 3,600 degrees, and then to 5,200, and then like 7,600 or something like that. It's weird how I've done it, but it looks cool, so I'm like, yeah, cool, that's good with me. UK even cooler than the US. It is, but speaking of like cool, I'm actually roasting because I'm in a conservatory. So I'm gonna open this door. Doggos want to go out, don't you? There you go, monkeys. Workaround. I genuinely don't know, Tennessee, because I've never run into that issue. All I could probably say is, have you tried like removing it, re-adding it, as in like the entire source, and then re-adding it that way? Love it. Great thinking. Does look legit. Yeah. The nice thing is though about this sort of stuff, if anybody is on Twitch, they can type in test into the Twitch chat and it will come up, and it'll animate through there as well. But with making stuff that we do for StreamUp, we can actually change the color of everything without having to like know HTML and edit browser sources and stuff. So if I want this to be white and say bright red, for instance, we can do that. And we don't need to know anything as long as we know how to use OBS sources, which you're using OBS right now, right? It means that you can completely edit anything that we make, which is beautiful. I wish it was hot here. We're freezing South Africa. That does not sound cool, Daddy Cool. That does not sound cool, Daddy Cool. Does this work on slop? Oh my god, TD, get out. Get out. Original LV to make the source visible. Also tried to use the alpha motion command on that button, and that began the silliness. That might mean that it's like maybe connecting to the wrong setting or something like that, because it shouldn't just do it on its own. That's a weird one, that. Dude. Yeah, there's a bit of a weird one, if I'm honest. If I ever get errors like that, I usually just delete start again and just do it that way. But yeah, I'm super proud of this. Again, you can change the text and do whatever the hell you want with it. It's completely up to you. I was wondering what happened to the replay source plugin. Every time I try to use it, it doesn't work. It just disappears from the source. That's weird, Nesmith. What I'd recommend, if you've got any crash logs or anything like that as well, share that with Exceldro. Make sure it's up to date as well, because obviously with the OBS plugins, they don't stay up to date automatically. You need to go and re-download them. So it might be a bug that Exceldro's already fixed, but you can share that info on the source replay source OBS forum, and hopefully provide some information. And if it's an issue, then Exceldro can probably fix it. You modified... What's going on, Sean, anyway, straight away? Doggo, yeah. They're cute. They're cute. They're idiots. I modified the raid shoutout command to post shoutout clip, streamer name, but it doesn't trigger the shoutout clip command. Any idea why this is? I don't really use the shoutout clip command, if I'm honest, Sean. It might be because you're not... trying to think. Because I've not made a clip shout out, have I? Waldo, you've used it before, haven't you? The shout out clip. I think Waldo will be able to give you a better answer, if I'm honest. How mad will people go if I make a basic version of Pokemon for slobs? Waldo, I need to DM you. But end that conversation there if that's okay. I need to DM you. I did re-download them and it's still the same thing. That's weird, dude. Q, I rolled my own version of that. Oh. I mean the raid shout out thing. You know, when you shout out to bring a message on screen, a video. Slide in those DMs, you sexy silver oh my god, don't turn me on like that. Oh my god. Hitting on me, man. Waldo's hitting on me, guys. Waldo's hitting on me. I don't know what to say. What a beautiful man. What a beautiful man. Remember, if you haven't already, press that like button down below. Doesn't cost anything, helps the algorithm out a ton. Again, keep your questions firing, guys, alright? Speaking of the devil, good day. How are we doing, Exceldro? What's going on, sir? What is going on? Still getting super excited for the project that we've got you building at the moment, Exceldro. It's all we keep talking about. We are super, 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 super excited, which is going to be really nice. We're just excited all the time. Why did that not count down? Or did it? Because I was really quiet. Don't tell Judy. I can't guarantee I will. Where do we start with plugin development for Stream.bot? The Streamer.bot, if you know C#, you can kind of do anything. It's built directly into Streamer.bot. So if you go to Streamer.bot, open it up, you can create an action just in C# and start the coding straight out of the bag. I pressed the wrong button. Waldo helped you so much today. That is awesome to hear. I like it when Waldo does his job for once. Photo's broken. Is it actually broken? That's sad. So you can just code straight in. Waldo helped me so much today. Thank you so much. That one tip helps my... Oh, I love it. Love it, Drunk Mum. Remember, if you ever need to ask anything, just ask. We can always try and do what we can. Great work. Hey, Mark. How you doing, bud? It's been a little while, dude. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I need to just quickly slide in a DM. There you go, Waldo. Wait, what did I do? What did you do, Waldo? I don't know. Waldo hasn't helped me today. Waldo always helps me, bless him. He's alright, good lad. He's an idiot, but he's a good lad. No JS code that grabs a Raiders logo and a color palette from it. Can we then export the code to share with people? Yeah, you can export actions. I'm doing a video on one today, hopefully, if you guys don't keep me too long. You can just export whatever actions you've created in this and then just share. Bongo, how do? How do? How do? I love it. I love it. Always informative. I love that, Mark. Thank you. Any other questions from people about stuff? Oh, we cool. I'm going to delete the original one now because we don't really want that anymore. I'm going to delete the commands as well. Delete. Delete. So it's so nice that we've got that. We can use variables on. Like, that's so nice to be able to use variables in there. Like, it's so huge. Yo, Rasputin, how are we doing? Hold on a minute. Is there a TLDR for the possible inputs, outputs, etc. of Streamer.bot? What do you mean, James? Like, there's like... if you're talking about the wiki, go to the wiki. Everything's in there. But you can literally do anything, James. You can literally do anything. Depends how much knowledge you've got, though. But I'm going to be covering it a lot on the channel, so don't worry. Like, I will be doing plenty of videos on how to do stuff. And the best thing to do is just jump in, dive in, and have a play with it. See what you come up with. That's usually the best way I learn, anyway. I love you, Waldo. I love you, Waldo. Waldo's sexy. Imp could be bits, commands, outputs, changes, scenes. Yeah, like you can just view it can do any. As far as inputs are concerned, it can do any Twitch event at all. Cheers, subs, raids, host, hype train, community goals, update all your stream stuffs, first words, whispers, follows. It can do literally anything, dude. Need to create like a drag and drop action editor. Glad I'm not the one who has to do that. Yeah. I hope to be able to work on your project this evening. Ooh, This is exciting stuff. Exciting. I think I did tell you about the move transitions as well, didn't I? Because that was the other thing that will need changing via variables as well. Because obviously X and Y positions will be completely different and stuff. I'm sure I said it. I've slept since then. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Did Streamer.bot see gaming category? Yes. Hype events, yeah. Hey Nex, how you doing? Welcome in. Ayo! You have a new version of Streamer.bot. Yes, Exeldro. It's the testing build at the moment. It shouldn't be too long until it's out. Quite a few things have changed. Like, we can now name OBS Raw things so it doesn't just say OBS Raw. And we can also use variables in there. There's been quite a few changes, actually. Can I pull the list up? Have I got it open somewhere? Is it here? No? Here, maybe? Yeah, here it is. 1 second. Quite a lot's changed. So you see quite a few bug fixes and stuff like that. OBS Raw was the big one that he changed, because that was one that I kind of got onto Nate about quite early, because I was like, I really need that. I really need that to be able to do half of the effects that we use for Stream Up, which is really nice. You can use... oh, yeah, he's added this in variable replacement as well, which is really nice. It's beautiful, right? But yeah, there's quite a few changes, as you probably see here. I'll leave it up so you guys can read it whilst I'm just checking in with chat. Probably a stupid request, but can you explain the mirror previous source things? Yeah, LeChuck, of course I can. I mean, it's super cool. It's something that not many people really do. And it allows me to add crazy effects onto whatever scene I want without having to add the effects to every single scene, which is really cool. Are you planning on making a similar to prediction but for hype trains? Yes, don't worry. At the moment, we're working with Exeldro. You've chosen to ignore me. I love that Exeldro. But we need it. I love you. So we're working with Exeldro at the moment to try and make Stream Up cross-platform, and by that I mean it means that it'll work for things like, well, it'll have the potential to work for Leoranboard, Touch Portal, Streamer.bot, BQ.bot. It'll have like the potential to work as long as them bots can facilitate the things that we need. Then certain things will work for it. So, for instance, my alert packages that I've created for Stream Up, they will be available to work with Streamer.bot and stuff like that, which is really cool. And it just means that it doesn't have to just be focused on Leoranboard, which is really nice. I'll move this down for anybody else that's still reading. Can you do that with the rounded corners without a hotkey, or do you do it with a Stream Deck? I have mine. I'm using mine on Leoranboard, but you can do it with anything because it's just an OBS filter. So you could use the OBS filter hotkeys as well and do that, which is pretty cool. Any Twitch events or inputs also support Stream Elements, Streamlabs. Exactly, there's loads of them. Hey Zalian, how you doing? Smart light bulbs, yeah, there's crazy stuff, isn't there? It's mad, isn't it, Andrew? Everything that can be done is just insane. Right, I will get back to work. It was fun hanging out. Please accept the Discord invite so I slip in and slide into them DMs. No worries, Daddy Cool. Yeah, 100% will do. In fact, I'll do it now whilst I remember. Dude, otherwise I'll forget. And then, as Beth would say, poggers, you are the worst individual in the world. You're literally the worst individual in the world. Like 100%. The worst individual. Can you do that with the rounded corners without hotkey, or do you stream that? I've just answered that. Nice. Have a super epic day. You too, Daddy Cool. What's going on with you, Zalian, as well? So I think we've read all this. Quite a lot of bug fixes, which have been really nice. There is the apparently GDI multi-line text entry, but that's actually not working at the moment. So I think that needs to be fixed again. But then that should work, which is nice. Thanks for your video. Hey, Carlos, how you doing? But you can do it without a hotkey. So when you change scene, it'll automatically change scene. For that, you'd have to use the move transition override and then use the move scene transition. Yeah. Gotta try out connecting high rate tonight with SB. Love that. Love that. So I was doing something. I was showing somebody asked something. What did they ask? What did you ask? Oh, mirror previous scene. Okay, so the way this works is, say I've got this scene. I want to leave my Formula 1 car in the middle of this scene by doing this. There we go. So I got my Formula 1 car scene just here. I'm going to create another scene, and we'll call this scene 3. We can add a source mirror just here. I've got a video on it, nice. There is a video on scene transitions with Move as well. So let's go to a mirror, source mirror. It's in alphabetical order, Andy. Don't be such an idiot. Source mirror, there we go. And I'll do previous scene just here. Press OK. And right now we can select the source here, what we the source or scene that we want it to be, and I'm going to choose Formula 1 car scene. So right now, the previous scene, because we've had to set this manually, is the source car. But say we are on a different scene. Say I've created another scene. I'm going to call it new scene, for instance. And on here we've got some kind of We'll add my camera, because apparently that's cool to do. There we go. So we've got now a scene with my camera on. We've got this one that's got, I'm going to call it previous scene as well. Oh, that's already on there. Scene of previous scene, we'll call it. Like that. So we've got 2 scenes here. Forget about this previous one for now. So we've got 2 scenes. One's this camera, one's this car, just here. What's the mouse zoom plugin? Just Google Andi Lippy Zoom and you'll find what you're looking for. It's slightly different to this one, but it's the same thing. This one's custom made in Leora mode. Fuck! Oh, there's like a queen bee! No! Why have you done that? There's like a queen bee in here. I'm not even kidding. Why are you not leaving? She's flying right fast. She's as big as my head. I know that bees are nice, but she needs to piss off. She's massive. She's actually massive. I'm gonna get this big so you can see if she's here. This is the biggest bee I've ever seen. I don't know what she's doing, man. I can't get her out. That is the biggest bee I've ever dealt with. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's massive. It's like the size of my fist, man. Why have you sat up there? It's like on a ledge, man. I can't get it. Show the bee the door. I don't know where. Just leave the bee alone. I'm frightened for my life. Have you not seen size on it? It's like this big. It coming in like, like getting hit by a freaking 747, son. Or Apache helicopter coming in. I don't know what to think anymore. I'm on edge. Burn the house down, start again. Turn the lights off, open windows. The lights are off, I'm in a conservatory. I'm scared. Good morning, Doc Murdoch. Hope you're doing well. Everyone's just taking piss at me, aren't you? It's like the biggest thing I've ever seen. Ball time, I know. Loves it. How can I get it to leave? I don't think shouting leave is gonna sort it. I wanna hit it with a broom. Let it get out. Get out! Get out! Get out! It's not leaving. Dexter, get away from it! Come here, Dex! Winston! Get away from it! Winnie! No, Winston, leave it! Winnie! Come here! Come here, Winston! Winston! Here now! Here! Come on! In here! Winston! I'm not coming out until it's gone. I don't know where it is. You guys see it? You actually see how big it were? Stay there. Please tell me you could see how big it were. Oh my god, he's there. He's twerking. No, Winnie! Come here! He's gonna sting you, you dickhead. Go on, go in there. Not safe. Why is it twerking? Is it dying? I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what it's doing. Guys, I can't come in. I can't come. I've never been so scared in my entire life. I think it's like shedding or something. What's it doing, man? It's flying erratically. I think it's hit like a spider's web and it's trying to clean itself up. Because I can see like it's cleaning itself. Is it a spider's web? I can't come out until he's gone. He's as big as my fist. I don't even come to the computer. You're right next to the door, mate. Can you just piss off? You're putting me on edge. I have never seen a bee this big. I've seen some big bees. Fucking hell. I can't even read chat because I can't even come around to the computer to bed. Into chat. They say, you can't come. Shut up, don't be like that. Did you see how big it were? No, it's not doing a hive. Is it actually making a hive? It's not making a hive, is it? Oh no, I think it's cleaned itself. Oh no, he's got it stuck to his legs. Ah, yeah! Where did he go? Pete, no! Get out, Winston, it'll sting you. And then you'll like die or something. Knowing you'll be allergic. I want you to go outside, mate. Can you go outside, please? Why is it twerking? I don't understand why it's twerking. Winston, you need to get out. He has now claimed. What's up, bookies? Can you leave? No, you're gonna have to get out, boys. It's scary. I'm gonna poke it. I don't know what's happening. Stream's cancelled. I don't know how to get rid of it. The door's there, man. Ah! He's coming at me! He's coming at me! No, that's the window, man. Go to the door. Go on, you're nearly at the door. A bit more to your left, son. Go on. No, that's the right. Oh, you're a fucking idiot. No wonder you're getting extinct. To the left, to the left. The door to the left. Oh, you're an idiot. Don't start cleaning your setup again. Ah! Oh my god. I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. Like, why is he there? There's sunny outdoors, man. Right, I've made him angry. Come on, dude, you've got it. Oh, come on, man. Fuck off out my house. Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. What part of get out don't you understand? Do you know who I am? You know who I am? I'm Andi Lippy. Why are you walking into like spilt some honey down my wall? Have you ejaculated? He's ejaculated in conservatory. He's thirsty. I can't get a paper sheet. If I get a paper sheet's as big as him, son. I've never seen a bigger bee. I've never seen a bigger bee. Please tell me you saw it on cam. Mr. B, man, you just leave, please. I'm asking nicely now. I'm asking right nicely. I don't know what's happening. He just wants a fist bump. Behave. Behave, you trolls. Behave. What a great, important stream that I'm teaching. No, don't be like that. You said it was behind me. I'd have heard it. How do I get rid of it? If I do this, what about... get a carpet? And try and... No, because it's going to fly at me, man. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I can't work in these conditions. I don't know what to do. Excuse me. Oh! Come on, to your left, man. You are the biggest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. You are literally bigger than my dog. You are bigger than my dog. Bigger than my dog, man. Have a word with Union. I think it needs to happen. I don't... Go down! Come on! Oh, stop going down there. There's... Oh my god. No wonder you're going extinct. You're dumb as shit, son. Get out. Oh shit. He's angry. Go on, son. I just want to help you, but you're being a knob. No, you're going the wrong way again. Come on, tosspot. He's got him stuck, stuck in a web. Sing a song. Oh my god. I've tried unplugging it and plugging it back in. I don't know, man. I just don't know anymore. I don't know what to do. I'm fearing for my life. I've never been so scared. Never been so scared. Never been so scared. What do I do? Anybody here know what to do? Put the webcam on your phone and camera so we can see it. Oh, that's a good shout. What's a really quick way to set it up? But I don't think I've got anything set up. Have I? What about just OBS Ninja or something? I'll get on that. That'll sort it out, won't it? Add browser source. Turn it on. Here we go. Gonna... No audio. We'll turn that on. There we go. Gonna start. We'll bang that on. Let me add it in. No, shut up. Stop being like that, guys. I've literally never been so scared. Never been so scared. I should have one of these just set up, shouldn't I, really? I'm not even looking if I'm typing this in right. Here we go. Are we on? We're on! Hey, Christina. Look how big it is. He's massive. And then, I get my big stick, look. But the thing is, like, I'm not scared of these because they're harmless, but he's just massive and he's pissed off. He's unpredictable about what's going to go on right now. He's unpredictable. Oh. Get out! He just keeps getting stuck on a cobweb. He's an idiot. All he's got to do is fly this way where there's no cobwebs. And he just keeps going down there. He's an idiot. He's an idiot. It's more scared than you are. I know, Christina, but I'm scared. Just squish it. I can't be like that, Jeff. Go out. Go on, Mr. B-Man. Piss off. He's massive. I feel like this isn't like showcasing how big he is. I know, but he's angry. Come on. Go on out. Leave bed. Oh, fuck. He's off. He's going again. No, you're going into the web again. What is your problem, man? You're a fucking... Oh, fuck! He's gone. Oh, shit, the bed. Shut the fucking door. Shut the door! Look, he dropped a bit of runny out. Dropped a bit of runny out. Bit of runny. Okay, now that were an ordeal, wasn't it? Woo! Sheesh! That was pretty scary. I'm putting the phone down on you. Pissed off. Woo. Woo. The car. Hello, everybody. Ron, hello. Sorry I missed you guys. I hope everyone's alright. Jeez, that were... Okay, hell. I don't know if I can carry on. Jeez. You thought it were fun? Of course you did, Jeff. Of course you did. Jeez, Louise. I forgot what we were doing. Honestly, I've never been so scared. He came in, it sounded like a bloody Harrier jump jet were in here. I know, couldn't change your stream title. Watch Andy be scared for his life. She's cleaning the window for you. I know, it's about time they got cleaned, isn't it? It's about time they got cleaned. What have I missed? Have I missed anything important? I haven't missed anything like only people taking piss at me, Anna. I've only missed that, Anna. I've not missed anything like serious. Jeez, honestly, I've been fearing for my life there. That's worth pressing the like button, isn't it? So if you haven't already, press it. Do you know what I mean? Because, you know. Honestly, I can't get over how scared I were then. Hey, Leo, what's going on? I'll go install that new Be Scared plugin. Oh my god, Bongo. That would be like that. Just us picking on you? Oh my god. Will it be a new stream up product? Bongo! Important, yes. Serious, no. Sounds accurate. So you were going to eat that bee then. Winston went to go and eat it. So I saved the bee. I saved the bee. Do you know what I mean? Winston were going to eat it. And he's dumb enough to go and eat it as well. He would have gone, nah, and just ate it. He probably went for it. And I'm like, no! I have a question on streaming with multiple live sources. Go for it, Dakar. I can try and assist with that. You saved a trip to the vets. Mate, Winston's indestructible, dude. He eats so many things that he shouldn't eat, and he just always lives to see another day. He was like, ooh, protein. He probably smelled the honey. I bet he's licked that honey. He licked the honey that's on the side. Wouldn't surprise me if he bloody did, because he's an idiot. Do you want to come and say hello, Winston? Come on, come on. Oh. Come here. Are you gonna sit? Good boy. This is Winston, in case any of you have never seen him on Twitch. The other one's Dexter. We'll give him a showcase in a minute, won't we, mate? What's your question, Dakar? How to deal with being survive. Mate, I'm like Bear Grylls, mate. Enough. You're gonna wave. You're gonna put your rocket for the stone. Put your rocket for the stone. You ready, win? Let me hold you like a baby. Here we go. You're gonna stay. Good boy. Next to leave him alone. You guys ready for this? This is super cute. Win. Let me get it. Win. You're not playing today. You've been boring. Hey Ian! You got us your voice set up for Streamer.bot. It sounds real. If you use neural net voice, it's so cool. Anytime, dude. Glad you're enjoying it. I'm trying to pull him away from me. Alright, go on, piss off then. If you want to be like that. Didn't know you have a doggo. Yeah, Leo, I've got two. There's a little Dexter here as well. You took his bee away. Yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it, Ian. How can I incorporate multiple live DJs from different locations in my live stream? You can use different pieces of software. You could just do it over Discord, dude. Do you know what I mean? It depends what's going to be the best audio quality for you since it's a DJ. Have you guys ever seen Dexter sing? I don't think you have you? What's this, Dex? You're going to sit? You're going to sit? You're going to drop your ball, good boy? You're going to sit? Sit. Hey. Sit. Hey. You ready? Are you going to sing for everybody? You gonna sing? He's so cute, isn't he? He's so cute. Is he not the cutest thing? Are you gonna give me a paw then, Win? Oh, don't get jealous now. Yeah, there are a couple of options like people are recommending it in chat to you, Dakar. It's just finding what is right for you in that state, because you obviously want the best quality if it's gonna be DJs. Do you know what I mean? He got some blue balls. Wow, love that, Waldo. Wow, indeed. He's always in tune. You should know that by now. You should know that. I'm gonna have to leave you to it. I like us to mirror scene again. Oh shit, that's what we were doing, weren't we? I mean, I can finish answering that now because there's not much really more. America's Got Talent when? Well, I'm in the UK, so I don't think you guys want me over there. Take care, LeChuck. Sorry, dude. Don't start squeaking that one. Don't. Don't start squeaking that whilst I'm talking. Do you know what I mean? Where to find yours? Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. That is adorable, darling. Adorable. Yeah, I'm glad you find the doggos cute. They're pretty cute. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're not bad. Some would say we don't. Oh my god. Don't even be like that, Bongo. Don't even be like that. Right, has anybody got any like streaming related questions and stuff like that? Let me put the music back on. I don't know why I turned it off. Oh yeah, I was singing with the dog. My god, this is how dumb I am. Hey Andy, how's it going developing the Leon.bot extension for YouTube? Well, Leo, we're now no longer doing an extension for YouTube. Because YouTube is going to be basically available for Leon.bot. Leon.bot is going to be available for YouTube pretty much probably next month or something like that. Christina's working on it at the moment, and she's doing an incredible job. So we should be helping do some tests and stuff like that as well, which should be good. Hopefully. Didn't say it was me. That's correct, Bongo. Because if it was you, you'd go over, man. See, I'm red hot again now, and I can't open that door because that killer bee's gonna come back. What do I do in this situation? I'm roasting, but the killer bee, man. Like, what do I do? I don't know what to do. I think I might just go and like die somewhere. I might just go and I'm scared. It's not a killer bee. It 100% was a killer bee. Did you not see the size of it? It was like the size of my palm, dude. It was like the size of my palm. Embrace the bee. I can't wait for all the memes you guys are gonna keep firing at me now. So thank you for that. You're gonna just fire memes at me going, oh, the bee, man, the bee, blah, 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 bee, man. I'm gonna be like, yeah. Bastards. There are a lot of you. Right, any last questions? Because I feel like if I want to release a video, I only have an hour and 20 minutes to do it in. I made it. Did I miss all the exciting questions? Exciting? No. Questions? Yes. How you doing, Tash? You good? The meme being comment? No. Are you oh, wow. Here we go. Oh, damn. Just got crushed. Why? Leon.bot's going to be working for YouTube next month, probably. Christina says it was going to be a month or so. Like, it's being worked on like a fully fledged, rather than just the extension that I'm using right now that's not, like, perfect. It's going to be perfect. So, it shouldn't be getting crushed, Leo. Your heart should be exploding. Who has B-movie script on hand? Oh my god. Don't. Streamer.bot is much easier as much as a sport, Leoran. It is painful that it doesn't downscale at 4K on screen. So frustrating. Hell yeah, it is. Clip plugin in Streamer.bot. I'm pretty sure we can do stuff like that. Yeah, you could do anything. You think the Streamer.bot is better than Leoran? Everyone says this. Like, I don't know what. Like, I genuinely do not know how to answer this question. Because, like, I keep answering it in a similar way, but I feel like people still don't get it. Like, all these bots exist, and it's personal preference. You know what I mean? It is all just personal preference. It is, like, if... For instance, like, you're looking at two separate things, like Leon.bot, you code all the extensions in JavaScript. In Streamer.bot, you do it in C#. Do you know what I mean? There's two separate different things completely, straight off the bat. So it's not about one being better than the other. It's about what is right for your use case. And StreamUp are going to support both. So, to me, I'm still going to be supporting both and doing whatever. Because that's what we do. It's nice. So, yeah. It isn't going to be hacky. You're hacky, Waldo. Still need to sort it with YouTube verification team. They're asking for some more stuff to submit before I finally go cover it, but it's working now already. Nice, Christina. Love that. You've been doing some amazing work. We were actually praising you earlier on everything that you've been doing, which has been, like, just been awesome, hasn't it? Do you know what I mean? You've done such a good job. It's very good, yeah. It's very good. But like I say, if you do need us to test and whatnot, then just let us know. We don't mind doing that sort of stuff and breaking it, because I'm like the king of breaking stuff, aren't I? But I didn't break the bee. I didn't break the bee. We're all right. Can I put music under my stream if I stream on console? I think you can do that using Overlay Expert, yeah. Boonside, but you only have a certain amount of storage space on there. I don't know if they've got any plugins now for music, though. If you stream straight from console, I don't think so. Well, I might have just done Waldo there. Will Streamer.bot be available for YouTube use in the future? It's potentially on the cards, but again, this is the first release of Streamer.bot, so there's a long way to go with it. Do you know what I mean? So you can't rush these things. Like, people always want what they can't have. That's what I've always found. Like, with my videos, stuff like that, people always want what they can't have. You can never, ever make something perfect at all. Doesn't exist. However, if you use capture card and stream content, then oh my god, Waldo, you're such a troll. Bongo bot doesn't work on YouTube. Definitely doesn't. For learn C# instead of crushing my brain with Jason. I find Jason easy. Well, like when I'm doing my custom Jason and stuff, I understand that really well. You want Andi? Oh my god. You need to calm down. You probably still want some kind of panel with Leon, Touch Portal, or Stream Deck, even if you use a Streamer.bot. Yeah, because obviously you need something to activate the commands and stuff and whatnot. Can Touch Portal be used without the app? A on-screen portal like Leoran? What do you mean, Ian? I'm not sure what you mean. You're patient, good boy. Short stack. You will sit and wait, boy. I was made perfect. There is always an exception that proves the rule. Yeah. I see how that is, Frank. I see how that is, dude. I think you were talking about me when you were saying perfect, right? If I'm not mistaken. Working on new LB documentation too. It'll have a search function so people don't... Yes, I love that, Christina, because that is like literally the worst thing. The account with a membership. Tell John. It's your boy, Johnny. Need to give a lesson. Hate to leave you. Very interesting. No worries, Frank. Much love, dude. Thanks for stopping by, man. On the computer, a portal screen to click. There's only access with touch portal and stuff like that. Everything else is just done by trigger commands. Don't say John. Ouch. See you. See you later, Frank. Much love. Yeah. So, because there's a touch portal plugin for Streamer.bot, so that works with touch portal. So yes, but no. But yes, but no. If you know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying, ladies and gentle spoons. Oh my god, it's 3 o'clock and I'm not eating. You guys are the worst. I've not eaten food. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And you won't like it when I'm hungry because I get angry. I get hangry. Are you listening? I'm really hungry, guys. Can somebody come and make me food, please? Thank you. I love you. Who's coming to make me food? Hello? Oh, I see how it is. Nobody. I see how it is. Thanks so much for the love, guys. Good laddie. Good work with the welcome message. Thank you. I'm releasing another video on it today to use with Streamer.bot, which is awesome. Yeah, what's the address? I'm next to you, XL-Drone. But I hate Java, but you're right. Jason is easier than C#. The B. Oh my god, don't. I don't want the B again. Shaggy in English. Shaggy. Oh, is your name Shaggy? As in like, what could you in the shower? Wasn't me. Yeah? Thanks for your input. It's all good, Dakar. But that's what we're here for, to help. I stream a lot on Twitch. I only stream at the moment like one day a month on YouTube. So if you ever need any more help, then jump over there. I also reply to every comment on YouTube. I've not missed a single comment yet. Even if I get told off for doing it. Follow me on Twitter to see funny comments. I love it. Right, I feel like I should probably get off and get some food because I'm starting to feel like, you know, where you just feel a bit sleepy. Is English shaggy? I love that. I love that. Thanks for that. Thanks for that, Waldo. I can't type directly into OBS, but the new version of OBS that's coming out, you will be able to. That's really nice. Remember not to shout at the beginning. Yeah. So when's YouTube adding the CC for Yorkshire? I feel like you can't actually add that because it's too technical. You know what I mean? The language is so perfect. I'm gonna wave at Daddy Cool. He sent me a message. I'm just gonna wave back at him. That's the kind of guy I am. So come on, any last questions before we hit the hay? I'm probably gonna go in the next 8 minutes because I'm gonna try and get this video done and release that video as well. In LB, this welcome message is a little buggy because out of show 0, I think in Streamer.bot this will be updated. It's not a bug, it's just when you've been messing about with Leoran board, you're not refreshing the welcome message. It's because I've not been using it, so I've not actually seen the issue. But it should work fine. It's a different system with Streamer.bot though, completely. So it changes how it loads the sentence. Whereas in Leoran board, it was pulling it into a stack. Yorkshire accent is the purest of accents. You know, Lee. See? Lee knows. Lee knows. Too much CPU trying to understand exactly. We'll bottleneck computer like within seconds. We'll just be like bottlenecked, done, finished, broken. It's just what we do though, right? It's what we do here. All we do is break. This is why like Exceldro, Waldo, Christina, they all send me stuff because I'm like the king of breaking stuff. I'm just like, does this work like this? And they're all like, oh my. That's literally the response I receive every single time. Every single time is just head in the hands. What? Not like this, please. Not like this. So many 3090s break because of Yorkshire. Why is he just staring at me? What's his problem? What's your problem? I don't know what his problem is. Why is he just staring at me like? He never looks happy. Look at the state of him. New SB update, multi-line works. Nice. Nice. Love that. Wonderful. Wunderbar. Wunderbar indeed. Alpha testers. Few others. Oh, data shares load. Test please when able. Well, I'll download it now, shall I? There we go. Get it downloaded, then it's ready to test. Oh, multi-line. Yeah, look at that. On it already. Traumatized by the bee. That's it. Hey, Posh Pete. How you doing? Oh my god, we went for W, I can't say the word, last night, and I've been bit absolutely everywhere. We walked down past the canal, it's a really lovely W. I just said the W word, I did it mid-sentence, so he didn't know. And, plus it was the plural one. No, Waldo, we're not doing that shit. Mate, I feel like I should add that. That'd be killer. That'd be absolutely killer. Like a 20,000 channel point redeem. And yeah, I was just getting bit everywhere. Like my legs are all like bit up. I don't normally like get bit by anything, but it's awful today. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you, Bot John. John Bot. John Bot. He's not lying, guys. Press that like button. Do it. And anybody with YouTube Premium, download the stream afterwards. Because that says you've watched it for 100% of the time. Which is huge. Because that's like 3 hours. How long have we been streaming? I don't know. I don't know how to tell. Nearly 3 hours, yeah. Nearly 3. Good, that's good to hear, Pete. Right, I'm gonna go. Nobody's asking questions. So I'm gonna do one and go and pretend to look pretty somewhere else. You might see me again in an hour's time. Because I'll be dropping a video if I get it edited in time. And my stupid computer exports it okay. Incredibly dumb question. I'm coming tech mess. But is there a way to truly make sources global in OBS? What do you mean by global? Because you can use any source anywhere. Use a nested scene. I'm on. Or are you on about like a DSK? So it's on screen all the time. So if I put something on my DSK scene like this, for instance, if I put a piece of text here and go in the best font imaginable, obviously, Andi Lippy, oh my god, is sexy, like this. I leave it on screen, and then when I change scene somewhere else, like, it stays on. Is that what you mean? And no matter what scene I go to, it does it. Anytime, Tennessee. Thank you. So that's DSK. That's a really cool plugin by Exceldro, which I've done a video on. So you can do a simple toggle on and off. Yeah, I could turn it on and off, and I can have it animate in as well, like so. Mine's blurred out because the way that I use my DSK, so it looks blurred. But if I go to YouTube, Google Andi Lippy DSK like this, there's one video here that is pretty cool and says how it is. That's how to use it. But then I've also done one where I make a really cool effect using DSK on that video just there. That'll sort you out. The welcome message is really buggy from Leon Bud and minimal alerts. Minimal alerts shouldn't be. I've used like the same setup for that the whole time. The only one that we've ever changed is the welcome message, and that's just the how it pulls the information. I need to delete this. Anytime tech mess, it's all good. Exceldro made that plugin. Incredible plugin. I set it up too. It looks awesome, doesn't it, Ian? Looks awesome, right? It's a beautiful little cheeky thing that you can do with it. Now, if this is 0 instead of a message. That might mean that that's probably only going to do that when you're messing about in OBS, in Leon board. If you just like leave Leon board after you've started it up and whatnot, it should be just fine. It's just the way that it's pulling, because obviously the way that I've designed that one is that it loads into a stack instead, rather than just constantly reading to a file. I thought that'd be better, but evidently not. But maybe I'll update her at some point. Thanks for that tip. So good, so good. One more fire tech mess, because I'm about to do one. You've got 60 seconds. I did get Leon Bud running on an Android tablet. I can't for the life of me get it running. You need to, I'm running it on a, it's been ages since I did it, but I'm using an Amazon Fire tablet, and you obviously have to kind of shoehorn it on there using some sort of file manager. I'm not the best at Android, if I'm totally honest, but the guys in the Leon Bud Discord will totally be able to help you out. But you need to use a file manager and run the APK, and that's it. That's what you should have to do. I can show videos at an angle with 3D filter requiring jigsaw extension. Yeah, dude. Yeah, there you go. Sideload an APK, that'll tell you how to do it for your model device as well. That'll sort you out. Did get it on there with the APK, but I couldn't get it to connect. That means you need to run go to the Leon board folder. There is if I open it up, there's a little batch file that says what's my local IP. Run that, and then make sure you're using that exact IP there, because it does depend per device. Like yours might be like the standard 127.0.0, or then some random number, and it depends on that computer's IP. So make sure you are connected to the exact IP address. And as Ian just said there, make sure your firewall isn't blocking it as well. I find it insane that you've only got 11,000 subscribers with the amazing value of information you share for free. Thank you, Adrian. I really appreciate that, dude. But that's the thing. Like, I never advertise myself. I'm just a humble individual that just likes helping people, guys. Like, literally, the only reason this channel's been growing is because you guys have been sharing the content from it. That is it. I never on my videos, I don't go, oh, make sure you subscribe. Like, I don't do that. Do you know what I mean? So I don't want to take up your time when you're just trying to learn something. I just give you the information. Done. And then it's up to you if you want to be generous or not. Do you know what I mean? And by generous, I mean press subscribe. We'll have anti-hate raid option. Yeah, I saw that Bikuta was adding something like that. I did see that he was working on something like that, which is good. No worries, Tech Mess. Much love. Much love. Much love to you all, guys. Much love to you all. I'm going to be back streaming again tomorrow. I don't know what time, though, because I'm meeting my dad for some lunch. So I normally do a midday stream like I've done today. But I'm going to meet my dad for some lunch. I've not seen him in ages. So I'm going to be going to spend some time with him for a little bit. So it might either be a super early morning stream or a late in the afternoon / evening stream. I'm feeling like it's going to be a late afternoon evening stream, and it'll be over on Twitch. So twitch.tv/AndyLeePete. Makes me feel sick saying that out loud. Hate advertising. It's the worst thing in the world. And then just make sure you're following on Twitter, because I've been trying to use social media a little bit more. Don't really like Instagram. So I've only been using Twitter. So if you want Twitter, it's just Andy Lippy again. But the links are all down in the description below. So just like hit me up. And if you've got anything to share, especially with the new Streamer.bot and everything like that, make sure you're sharing that in their Discord, because I'd love to. I'm doing basically trying to do a video per day this week on Streamer.bot. So if you've got anything cool that might make me go wow, then you might get mentioned in a video. Colored Doggles 100% will do, Emily. Don't you worry. That's noticeable. Appreciate it. The hard sell is not there. Good on you. Cheers, Adrian. Much love, dude. Thanks. I love it when you guys are just so kind. It's very rare that I get a troll. And when we do get a troll, we all have a great time. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. When did you make the pivot from music content to guru content? When music didn't pay the bills. I mean, this one doesn't yet, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there, guys. You pissing trolls, Waldo. You're old trolls, right? I love you all. Remember, if you have got YouTube Premium, just hit download. Download it in the lowest quality. Like, it doesn't matter. Just hit download. And as soon as I press stop stream, it just, yeah, it really helps the YouTube algorithm. So, do it. One last 007 then before we leave. Oh my god, I'm beautiful. Right, peace out, guys. I love you all so much. You're all incredible. Hopefully, I'll see you in 56 minutes. Hopefully, in 56 minutes with a new video. Okay? I feel like we should have a bet if I manage to do it, but I'm going to work my arse off and try and get a video that is unedited right now and get it uploaded and on in 56 minutes, alright? I will see you guys later. Put your rock with the stone. I love you all. Bye. Yeah.